Good evening, my dear friends. How are you all on this lovely Sunday evening, as it is time for a bit of Satisfactory. So let's hope that will be satisfying. And of course, I can't do this alone because I'm a total noob at this game. So I invited two people who are very good at the game. So we have Mr. Buramis and Mrs. Hiradev.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. I don't know if I would say I'm very good, but
I
We
say
are
you
the-
are, and
okay.
now there's just pressure on you. That's it. So hello.
Thanks.
I hope we can have a lot of fun. We have landed in the rocky deserts, so that's a little bit different than the grassy green lands I had last time. And all we did, well, I didn't do that, but the others already did, was deploy their Xeno Zapper. Passive mode is off, so we could be attacked. I hope not, but I don't know. Uramis
didn't
promised
get
to
my
keep us
zapper.
alive, so... Oh, well, you get your Zapper then.
Oh, is that the game we're gonna play right now?
Yep.
No, I just did it once, and now you're all going to kill each other. Oh, where's Shuriel when you need her? All right, well, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go all over all the missions, so we have to dismantle the hab. Well, there you go, hab. Bye, hab. And now we have to just find some nice resources. Now, I'll try to show off most of the interesting parts, of course, in the game. So if we find some fun stuff, we will be doing that. But just a little heads up, Buramis has a lot of knowledge about the game, and you already see him collecting a lot of nice foliage and stuff. So you'll see some of us just run off every now and then doing some very interesting things. I'll try to keep up and show all the good bits. And right now what we have to do is gather some ore. We can scan for that, so let's do that. While we do that and my friends start running off to the nice places where there's ore. Oh, there's a lot of ore in this direction. So we should probably head over there. I can say hi to chat. Hello everybody. How are you all? And a very warm good morning, good day, good evening, or whatever it is at your place too. Body Shot, Trouble, who already left for work, but hi. Kevin, One Last Midnight, Quirky, Roadhog, Cyrus, Wifey, JD, and Firelion was here as well. Hello. So nice to have you all here. How are you all doing? You will love the mega spiders. They jump far. Well, luckily I have it on arachnophobia mode, so I will see mega kittens, I guess. So we'll see how that goes. But
It's hilarious.
I'm way too scared for the real stuff. All right. I hope we're all running towards the same areas. I have no clue where all of you are.
I'm just running around gathering leaves and stuff. I don't know where you guys went.
I went to a copper place because that was the mission. So I scanned for some copper. I have one here.
Okay, good. So we got limestone, copper.
Ooh, I have a pure iron source here. Oh, there's
This is the one.
Uh-oh, I'm being chased by a guy.
This is where we start our base then.
Where is he? I think so, but let's kill this guy first. There he is. Bye-bye. Is he dead now?
He's gone.
Did you... Oh, you grabbed the stuff, probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is a pure one, so this is good.
Oh, we got two.
Yeah, I was wondering what this one was.
Pure.
Also a pure one. Ooh, we got off to a good start, I guess. Hey, Donny Danger, nice to see you. How are you?
So
Hey,
let's set up
Donnie.
the hub right here then.
Should we check to see if there's stuff like limestone and copper around? Because we will need those in the beginning as well. And if those are really far, then we might still have a problem.
Yeah, no, we just passed limestone. Where Herodeb's coming from now, just around the corner.
Okay, and copper?
Be fine. Copper. Well, we'll look around.
Might be interesting to take a little peek around to see if there's any close.
But iron is the base of everything we do, so...
And
let's
two
just
pure
be
ones is
iron.
very good, yeah.
Yeah.
I've never actually seen Pure in my game. Because I haven't played it that much.
Alright, we're collecting leaves for later because we need that for the fuel. So that's why you see all of us, as if we can, we just collect leaves. And the whole purpose of this game is to make use of the land. And the developers clearly stated that they have absolutely no plans for going for some green energy or something. Because that's not the purpose of this game. The purpose is to use this planet and basically completely destroy it by using all the resources. And not to be nice and kind to the planet. So, yeah. It is what it is. Okay, well, I haven't found any copper yet.
Be careful if you see what looks like a bluish spiky ball.
The bluish spiky ball.
It emits little bees that will take your life away. You may be alright in passive mode actually, so
Oh, but I'm
just
not in
letting
passive
you know.
mode.
I'm
Okay.
in passive mode.
But if you do see one for now, keep clear.
I guess you should keep out of the fights then, Hiradef, to keep it leveled with the animals.
Yeah, I think so. That wouldn't be very fair.
No, no, no. And of course, there's always, you can just switch it if you want to. That's one of the nice things about this game.
Oh, well.
You can switch whenever you like.
If we're gonna go,
It looks like a big blue flower bud. I can't say flower bud with a yellowish centre.
Set up
I
camp
think
ASAP, says Cyrus, and I think that's a good idea. We have to
Yes.
start setting up something of a camp.
So get copper for now.
Oh, let's see. Let's start with the hub.
chances are copper will be a ways away.
Yeah, well, that's okay. We'll deal with that later. We're gonna move the hub a few
And
times
always-
probably. So
I
let's
was
just
gonna say we could always move it.
drop it somewhere so that at least we can get started, and then we'll see from there. Alright, well, if you're thinking I don't hear the lady, that's true because she's very annoying, so I turned the volume down. If you want to see what she's saying, just read the bottom messages. We are going to get on by expanding the hub with all the hub milestones. So let's do the tier 1. And we have to make a couple of rods. Nice. I guess we have to... Oh, the bench is occupied, but that's okay. We can probably build 1 or 2 extra crafting benches soon. I have to get some stuff in.
There you go.
I have a couple of iron ingots.
From behind you.
Oh, perfect.
I guess
How much do we need for the crafting bench? Or are you already making it?
No, just go step by step.
Oh, nice. Perky, family member for 8 months already. Thank you so much. That's amazing. And of course, thank you to everybody, whether you are a member, just visiting, a subscriber. Everything is much appreciated. So thanks a lot, as we did Hub Upgrade 1.
Okay.
Alright, did you make a crafting bench already?
Right. Everything can't gather, I'll just stick into this box for now.
Okay. I'll make a crafting bench so all of you can also create some stuff. 3, okay.
There we go. 3 rod, 3 plates, that'll be quick.
Yeah, I can make 1 with all the stuff that I have right now. Oh, I think I can make 2 actually.
Well, yeah, I'll use these then.
So, there's 1.
Nice one.
And there's another one. So we can now all make stuff if we want to. And, hey, Ara! Nice to see you. It glitched. Put it down again. What glitched, Cyrus? Don't know. Alright. Well, we have to gather a lot of materials now, I guess. To get to the next hub upgrade, which is 10 plates, 20 rods. And of course, feel free to go ahead and do whatever you feel like. I'll start making some plates.
Are you okay with us doing the hub upgrades, or you just want to wait to do that by yourself and we supply materials?
No, you can just put it in and we just continue. This is
Okay.
this is all basic stuff. So if you have the 20 rods, you can just go ahead and go for it. That's fine. And of course,
I'm just
people in
gonna
chat.
keep gathering iron.
Perfect. If you have any questions or whatever, just ask them in chat and I'll try to answer them if I can see them. Hello, Sandy. Nice to see you. How are you today? And if you have a specific question for Hiradef or Buramis, you can also send them towards me using the tag of my name, but then tell them who the question is for and I will relay it to them because I don't know if they both can see the chat.
I can see the
I
chat,
can't.
so
Yeah,
you can tag me if you want, but it doesn't mean I'll see it.
if you have specific questions, just ask them. Or send it to me and I will ask them. I'm doing fine. How's everybody? Good to hear, Sandy. I'm fine. How are all the others? How are you guys?
Okay, I put an equipment workshop.
Okay.
I'm good.
Can we already make a hand miner or a
Yeah,
small
just about
miner?
to do that now.
Perfect. So then we can start to get the stuff out of it.
Just
Or more rods.
stand here and mine until you come with it.
Yeah, I've mined a bit too, so I'm going to use a crafting bench for some stuff.
Do you want to give everybody specific tasks? Like one of us work on upgrades, one of us go looking for stuff,
Not right now. I think
etc.
we
Or are we
just have
all
to
doing...
gather everything right now and just build everything up quickly. So just do what you think is then the best next thing. And then at some point we might come to a mode where we have to do certain things.
Okay, I put down 2 miners.
Perfect. Let's see
I think
what
that one missed,
Okay, I'll stop.
but it should still work.
next hub upgrade is. If I select a new hub upgrade, do you also see that mission in your
Yeah, it looks like
screen
we're
there?
all on the, we all
Yep.
moved together, yeah.
Okay, okay, very good. But now we are going to need copper, so we are going to have to scan and find for some copper.
Do you want me to go adventuring to find it?
If you go, do you have a portable miner on you already for it?
No. But I can do another one.
Because if you take one, you can at least start the production of the raw ore then. Then
Yeah.
I will stay here with HeroDev working on extra plates and stuff that we're going to need soon. Let me see. We can already build a smelter, so I'm going to set one up. Oh no, we need copper for it. So that we can get going soon. So I'm going to make some stuff here. If you find copper, just let us know.
Will do.
So who in chat has been playing
Blue.
this game so far, and what are your thoughts on it?
Cyrus has from the sounds of it.
Yeah, yeah, I absolutely love it. I know Midnight has been playing it as well. I've seen him stream it.
You want me to make plates or rods?
Oh, if you make the plates, I'll make some rods. Then we'll
Okay,
get a
I
quick,
gotta make ingots first, though.
then we get a quick
I
bunch
just
of them.
realized.
Well, we have 2 portable miners, so you can get a lot of ore.
Sorry, did you say I make plates, you make rods?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'll just whisper it every now and then. No one and too much math. Like the math in this game, it is so much fun. Trying to optimize everything.
Yeah.
Well, believe me, you can play without doing any maths at all. I have.
I know, I've seen that. Build a wonderful factory, but that's the whole fun of for me. Try and figure things out, how to optimize it. That's nice. So how far are you along now, Road Dog? Last time you were close to where I ended my stream, my solo stream. Are you still there? Have you played a bit more? I'm out going to gather some leaves now because I already made 50 rods, so...
Some interesting noises in this landscape.
We can scan for copper already,
Oh.
by the way.
Oh, good. Okay. Do
Oh,
that then.
there's copper close.
Oh, good.
Found some copper to the right of our base.
Oh, good.
Awesome.
You just
Is
follow
it
me
like
on...
super close?
If you follow me on the map, yeah, that's like 200 meters. It's a pure ore mine. Wow, another pure one. I don't have a portable miner though, so if Pyramus can
I
come
have.
to me, then
No, let's see where you are.
I've cleared it out. Wow, this
This
is
is a
going
good
to...
location we
Oh,
got.
yeah, and there's some good space here to just build a small copper factory and then transport the end products towards the main base. That's real nice.
Oh.
At least that's...
Now we just gotta find the limestone and...
Oh, Pyramus said he already
Anybody see any?
found some.
Yeah, there's some just
Oh.
between us and the starting site. Did you not come across a hog here? No. Okay, that's good.
No. Or he should jump me now, but oh, there's a big blue plant up the hill. But...
They're normally next to every node.
Oh. Haven't seen it. Maybe she is on holiday today or
Okay,
something.
that's good.
Right, let's keep picking up some plants as we run back. Oh, we have to get a lot of copper out now, of course. Make the wire. Just that copper. You only put 1 hour in last time. Ah, okay. Well, I guess this is a keeper for you, Road Dog. I think this is really up your alley. I really love it. It's amazing. I just ate lunch. Oh boy. You've been sober for
The mouse is
24 hours,
acting
Road
up.
Dog. What happened? Ooh, One Last Midnight is asking Donnie to get dangerous together. This should be interesting. That's something I'll watch. Oh, maybe we should get Midnight to play some Hell Let Loose with Donnie. That'll be an experience for him. Oh, you've played Sandy, but it's boring to play alone. Yeah, I can get into that. Well, I like it because then I can just do my math and try to optimize things, but it's always more fun to play together. Do you have some people to play with every now and then? Did you make some plates here, Dev?
Yeah, I put them in the crate.
Oh, I thought you put you would put them in the hub. Oh, 68. Wow, you're busy. Another hub
Working on
upgrade
some more,
complete.
too.
Oh, you did it. Okay.
Hub upgrade 3, interior furnishing completed.
Okay.
Should I stop doing this and do something else?
Well, we have to find the limestone now and put up a portable miner there, so that we can start getting limestone. 300 meters out, there's limestone. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, we can now get a constructor if we want to, and a smelter. I guess we should now just place those next to the hab so that we can power them and have some automation going. Question is, can I build them already? Yes. Build the constructor? No. True, one last midnight. True. But I don't know about your gaming past, so I don't know if that goes for you too. Oh, we have to get cables. I'm so used to my own game where I don't have to get stuff anymore because I already have all the basics.
I'll set that up over here.
Yeah, let's get a few cable. There we go.
There's some wood in the box as well, so if you'd put that in the power
Ah, yeah, nice, nice, nice.
thing, that would help.
I guess we start with some iron ingots to smelt. Might be a good one.
Yeah, can you put a power line out over to the copper as well? Okay, one way.
Some real wood. That's probably the best to put in. And then at some
Okay,
point...
so
Yes?
what do you want me to do? Do you want to keep going on iron plates or something else?
Do you want? So you could head to the limestone.
Yeah. If you
Okay.
take a portable miner, go to the limestone and then put it up there. We need concrete now, so...
Do I have to build the miner or is it already made?
I think you have to build one.
Oh, where's this thing?
Let's put in some fuel. There we go. It's on. Right, first smelter's going. We're smelting iron ingots now. I could use some copper ore or copper ingots.
Okay, do you want me to keep running them backwards and forwards, or just put them in a box here and you pick them up?
Oh, if you put them in a box for now, it's just to make some extra wire and get the hub upgrade done. The sooner we get the hub upgrades ready, we can start up a little automized setup for everything, for the basic ingots at least. You need to leave room for 20 plus more, so spread it out and double it 8 times. We know, Sire, we know. But this is just the basic setup. I want to get to foundations usually first, so that we can create a nice flat landscape. And then we'll start to use this whole area. Good thing about this game is we can move everything multiple times, so we can move the hab in a second if we want to, which is great. Probably do that a few times. Sandy's got some co-op games. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I'm new to all this. Oh, really? To this game or just to chatting and things like that, Sandy?
Life.
It's nice to have you here, though. Always welcome. Alright, there we go. Let's pick up some leaves for the fuel. Can't wait till we can get some good fuel going. There we are.
Is this
Oh yeah.
copper,
Well, do
perhaps?
you want to carry this back? I've got some bits here for you to pick up. So you take
I'm going
them.
for limestone. I was just passing
Well,
by.
you're going the wrong way. So
No, there's 152 meters from here.
okay, well if you
Must
oh,
be up
right then.
here.
There was
Let me
one
just look.
nearer the
Hold
other
on.
way. Never mind.
It's okay.
Are you sure? Because I checked the thing and it was more meters away than this one. But we'll
Well, we
see.
ran past it to set up where
In
the
the
hub
end,
is
in
now.
the end, we need them both anyway, probably. So just
Okay,
go
yeah.
to that one. I've built a miner. I'll check the other one and set it up, and then we can continue. No worries.
I was trying to avoid me running backwards and forwards, but here I am now.
It's okay.
If somebody won't
I
play
just wanted to
Construction
check.
Simulator with me, please tell me. I
I'm
can learn
not
how
gonna
to play
go.
it. Oh, you're searching for somebody to play Construction Simulator with you, Ara. That must be someone that wants to play with you, so you can learn it.
Okay, I've dropped up some bits in the hub.
Ah, good. I'm now at the sandstone thing. Let's see. This is normal or limestone. I'm always calling it sandstone because it looks like sand. I'm at the limestone, so I'm taking it off and then putting in the auto miner.
Okay.
Should bring enough limestone to get the hub upgrade done at least. Alright, there it goes. And of course, thank you all for being here. That's so much appreciated. That's so nice. Hope you have a great time. Question from Wifey. Is it true that for the biofueler, wood does not generate more power, it just uses less wood than leaves? Yeah, the amount of power it uses is the same. So all machines... I'll just go to machine here. You can see if I check this smelter will use 4 megawatts of power when it's running. And it's just a certain amount of machines that you have that will need a certain amount of power. And a biofueler... oh, it's on the other side. Just generates a certain amount of power at maximum. So this can generate 20 megawatts of power. Doesn't matter if you put in wood or leaves, but you can see it takes 12 woods a minute. And if I put in the leaves, it takes 80 leaves a minute. So the leaves are just less efficient, so you need to put in more leaves all the time. That's basically the biggest difference. And if you get some biofuel or whatever, that will take even less, so that you can last a long time with just 200 biofuel. So it will use the same amount of power, it's just that it will burn through some of the resources faster than through others.
Yeah, but you don't want to get into the numbers, then it's just leaves. The hierarchy is leaves, wood, biomass, and then biofuel.
Yeah.
In that order.
Okay, Baramus, are you at your crafting station by the copper?
Yep.
Look up. See me?
Hang on. Yes, hello. What are you
This
doing
is
up
where
there?
that limestone is.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
this is where the
exactly.
limestone is. So
Right.
is it easier to just drop it down and over, or is it easier
Well,
to do the other one
hang
for
on.
now?
Let me just shut Ada up. She's going on in the background. Do you mind? Shush, shush,
That's
I already
Ada.
did that.
shush. Right, she's gone now. Yeah, because we haven't got any conveyor lifters or anything, so it's a bit awkward. Whilst it was nearer, as the crow
Yeah, you're
flies,
right.
it's not because we have to go up. And Patmos has
Okay,
already
but
got to
remember
the other one.
this.
Yes, it's useful.
Remember this.
Yeah, the other one is set up. I'm now going to set up our first constructor so we can make some useful stuff. Have to get some extra
I
cable.
bother leaving the miner up here? Probably not, eh?
Why not?
Well, because
Fine.
by the time we're ready for it, we'll have a bigger
Sorry.
miner.
We've got plenty of iron, so we can just leave it.
Leave it. So I'll set it up on here then.
Alright, so Cyrus wants us to set up a bio line, but that can't because we don't have the biofuel stuff unlocked yet. That's why we're doing the hub upgrade, so that's not going to work out.
He's just zooming ahead. He's like,
Yeah, he's
"Do
going
everything."
way too fast. Sandy would love to play a co-op with somebody. She never did, he or she.
Oh,
Okay. Wow, well, it's nice to play in co-op, and there must be people out. Just join the Discord and find some people that are willing to join you. I bet there will be people that want to join and have fun.
for this game or something else?
I guess for this. Do we have some copper in the chest?
Put some in, yeah.
Yes, perfect. Okay, I'm going to set up a power line and then...
Can you head one over this way as well?
Oh yeah, I'll look it up. I'm just going to set one up for the constructor so that we can start constructing some goodies.
I cannot remember for the life of me how to put the miner down.
Put it into your inventory in hand slot number 2, and then move to that
Number 2?
item, and it'll drop onto the slot.
2. Won't go to number 2.
You use your mouse wheel to.
What? Okay,
flip
I
it.
got it. I got it.
Okay. And then you just drop it onto the node, and it'll start.
I think we can already build some conveyor belts. Yes. Okay. So I have to move this one.
Right, I'm going to head back because I need some iron.
Let's rotate this one. So that we can...
Now I gotta figure out how to get down from here. Oh boy.
That's
Yeah,
your
it's
problem.
a far. I'll die. I'll die for sure if I jump off.
All right. So we are
there's a
making that. Let's get some iron plates. Go.
There's a really nice waterfall over here.
The
I found my
environment's
way down
really
pretty
good
easy,
everywhere.
actually.
All right, people.
This
We
is
have our
actually a
first
good
little bit of
biome.
automation. From the smelter runs a small conveyor belt to the constructor, and we're now making iron plates, fully automated. Well, not fully because we still have to put the ores in and stuff, but at least we're doing something. Oh, you don't have this game yet. Oh, well, if you plan on getting it, just let us know and we'll see. You have Medieval Dynasty. I think you might be hooking up with Auntie then. She's playing a lot of Medieval Dynasty. She might be interested in playing with you. I have Medieval Dynasty too, but haven't been playing that lately.
Me too, yeah, got it.
Let's see.
And you can have female characters in that now, whereas before it was just male.
Oh,
Actually, if you notice, in this game we're all females.
yeah, wifey noticed that straight off.
We 3 pioneers.
But it's fine. I mean, I like it. How hard is it to work with a controller? I guess you're asking Donnie that. And I would say just look at his stats and you'll know how hard it is to aim with a controller.
Yeah, that's something they've added to the game now, that you can do it by controller.
Oh, really? This game?
Yeah.
Oh. PC Master Race, I love my mouse. Zuid-Limburg? Vlaams Limburg of Nederlands Limburg? Standees from Limburg, which is a region either in Holland or Belgium. But hey, they speak Dutch there. So that's fun.
Yes. Very good.
Nice.
Oh, I need concrete.
Oh, poor Cyrus. Every time he sees his mom, she pushes food on him. Oh.
Need concrete too. So, are you already going to check the limestone?
I just did the one
Should
that
I?
I placed. You were asking about that one.
Have we got any in the box at the hub?
No, I just looked. I didn't see any.
Okay.
No. I have some concrete on me, or
Double check.
some. I'm making some concrete. Do you need concrete for a building?
No, it's just for the power poles, so I can link to this power.
Okay, well I have
I just-
20 ready for you if you want to. I'll put it in the chest.
Yep, thank you.
Oh, I turned around. I left the hub for like 2 seconds to look for it, and I come back and it's already put into the
Yes, sorry.
upgrading.
So sorry, I didn't wait for you.
It's fine. I just don't know what I'm doing now. Can I go change my clothes? All right, I'm going to change.
Yeah, we all have different priorities in this game, as you hear, people.
That's one of the
Yeah,
first
well,
things I
then we
did.
can tell each other apart too.
And kill
That's
each
why.
other.
Yeah, that's why.
Well, I know each other apart because the one that I can't see is me, and the others are you.
Yeah.
So.
I was just going to say that.
Okay, I'm changing my clothes anyway.
Have fun. All right, we need some more wire basically right now.
I've just dropped a few bits off.
Well, we need 50 for the hub upgrade and some rods, but the constructor is now making the rods, so that should be good. What have you set up at the copper place? See a power
I've
line
just set
going
up the
there.
smelter now.
Ah, good. Yeah, we just have to get the first bits going to get to the conveyor belts and splitters and stuff so that we can really set... And the foundations. I always wait for the foundations before I start a real factory.
Okay, but now we're making copper.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make some wire then and add it to the, or
Well,
not
I'll
wire, cable, and add it to
I'll
the,
stick a
to the research.
constructor on this.
Oh yeah, I was just
The
thinking we
wire.
should get it constructed there, and then a little bit of conveyor belt, and then.
Although I don't have enough.
All right.
Oh no, it needs the reinforced plates at this stage.
Yeah, we can make those.
So can you make some over there so I
You
can
need
pick them
2.
up?
I'll make 2 for you. I'm making them right now, so I'll put them in the chest. You only need 2 of those plates for a constructor.
Yeah, I'm going to do 2 though, so I'll do one for wire and then one for cables.
Okay. Oh, you're going to make the big one already. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I'm not going to expand this little iron factory because we will run out of power. We have only 1 power source yet. I think the next thing should be mainly focusing on getting...
Well, let's focus on the hub upgrade then, because then we'll get the power.
What I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I'm going to make
cable.
some plates and rods so that we can get everything ready for the biofuel as soon as we unlock that. We can start making that because we need better fuel.
Just need a few more rods and then upgrade.
A lot of Dutch going on there. Feel free, people, to also talk in English. That's no problem. Actually, it is officially an English chat, but the Dutch is fine. Just make sure that everybody feels engaged at some point.
Putting Kevin through the ringer with the Google Translate, right?
Probably. Probably. Alright. This is where the iron is. So I'm going to set up a smelter, or no, a constructor already for the biofuel. Oh, and cable for it. Ah, all the cables
Some
are
cable
in.
on me.
And I probably have the rods on me. Yes. Alright, let's do this hub upgrade. That's another one ready. Hub upgrade 6. That will lead to biomass. Yay! And the extra biomass burner. So we have to do this one.
Can be connected to conveyor belts and requires power to function. With caution, as you expand, the energy demanded
For
for production
crying out loud.
Why would you cry out loud?
Oh God. Okay, cause I'm working on the hub upgrade. Every time I come back to put something in that I've gone to make for it, somebody else has done it.
It's okay. We're
So,
happy
here,
with
I've
all your
got some-
efforts.
we're being efficient.
I got some rods to put in there. I can put 1 wire in there. Got a
Well,
few plates.
We also have to keep track of the smelters because the one at the iron ore that's doing the iron ore is now empty. So I'm now collecting new iron ore to put in. So we actually get some ingots from it.
Okay, so
But I think we're going quite
Should I
fast.
do
I mean,
something
we're at
like
it.
that?
We're at it for half an hour, and we are already at hub upgrade 6 working. So
No, that's good. So we've got the second fuel. now?
Yeah, we need concrete. If you can start making some concrete and get it from the portable miners, and then make concrete so that we can finish that one.
who are you talking to?
You asked what you could do.
And it's this way somewhere?
Yep. Just go straight to a little bit to the left, and then straight. But if you hit V and you scan, you will find it quickly.
Does it show me the actual...
Yeah, if you hit V and you
Miner or
scan
just
for
the
the copper
deposit?
ore, you will see that the normal copper ore is in white, and if it is one that it is in use, it will be black. Or you have to do limestone, sorry. It will be black with a little V icon that you have that one covered. Or it should be at least. No, it's not, because we don't have a miner on it yet. But it's the one you're running straight at, so...
Okay, good enough.
Once you have a
I see
miner
it.
on it, you will get that. Is there a way for Herodef to die? Yes. There's some toxic gases and stuff. She can fall off a cliff. There's animals that could kill her, but of course she's in passive mode. We could kill her if we actually really wanted to.
I don't think we can actually. I don't think you can kill each other.
With the Xenozapper, you can
Are you
hurt each
sure?
other, and if it's
Can you?
enough,
Yeah, you can.
you can
If
do
I
damage.
stood there and let you, long enough, you could kill me with that thing.
Where are you? I'll let you feel it.
Okay.
Oh, now she's laughing. There you
Oh, I'm
are with your
laughing at
green pants.
Roadhog.
So if I do this with the Xeno Zapper, you should get damage.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay.
So if you do that enough, then you probably might be able to kill one.
By the time I turn around, you run away again.
Okay,
That
Ara.
was so funny.
Yeah, I wasn't going to kill you. I was just showing how it works.
He'll save that for me.
As he should.
Oh,
Alright.
I just got
Well,
myself
in
out
that
of the
case,
stream
we
by
can
accident.
blow each other up later as well.
Probably. I don't think you can throw each
You
other
do
off a
what?
cliff though, so it's a bummer.
You can. You could nudge someone with a
Oh.
vehicle, probably.
You could probably manage to push somebody off if you tried hard enough, and they let you.
Mhm.
Like if I went to the bathroom and I left myself standing on the edge of a cliff like a dum-dum, you could probably push me off.
Thanks, Cyrus. Yes, the miners are ready, so we can start to work towards that. I'll probably start setting something up.
Got mine is good. Okay, well, I'll have to come back and get some iron.
But I don't have any concrete, and there's no more iron plating here right now, so we have to work on that.
I'm coming back with a bunch of limestone.
Perfect.
I'm a coming.
Do the crazy-looking birds actually attack you or not?
No, they don't do anything.
Oh, good.
The little bluey ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do that. They get in the way, though, at your base at times. And sometimes you have to kill them because they're stuck where you want a foundation to go.
I guess that's what they're creatures for. Stand in the way. Alright, I
Do I
have
have
the
a constructor for concrete yet? Or do I have to do it manually?
Manually. As soon as-
Mouse is acting
I do-
really dumb.
I do need quite a bit of copper now, so that we can
Yeah, I'll bring some back now.
concrete, and then I can start working on the miners. Oh, you're bringing it back. Good.
Yep.
I think I'm going to start with one of the iron mines then, and set up
Oh,
a
we
small
stop-
line.
I'll stop belting this stuff in a bit, in a minute. Stop me running around. Okay, wires in.
Oh
Sure,
yeah,
it
I
look-
need the copper wire.
It's in the
There it
bottom.
is. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to start building a small iron
Oh,
mine.
tell you what, before you do anything else, can you just stick a second lamppost in and use this second power supply?
For?
I don't know.
For my mine.
No, just so it's linked into the network, so then if we do either mine or in, it's not going to collapse.
I'll do that, but I
Or
need
blow a fuse.
Where did you want this concrete? In the upgrade?
Yes, but I also need it for a lot of other things actually. Even for a power line, you need
Okay.
concrete for the foundation. I don't know how much
Well,
you
I've
made.
got 48. I've got 48 of them. You want them?
Oh, if you put that in the hab and then give the rest to me, and you continue making a bit more for us, that would be excellent.
The hab wants more than what I've got, I think. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Find out if my mouse
50
will work.
minus 18 is 32, so you should
Okay,
have some left.
I got 16 here for you if I can. I think I have
Okay.
to go get some batteries for my mouse.
Okay, well you do
Sorry.
that. No problem.
There we go. It's in there.
Yep,
Be right
see
back.
it. Alright, we got another hub upgrade. I'm going to put in the power pole now that you asked for.
Landing initialized. Completed onboarding and achieved the absolute
Who's purple? Oh, Theradev. Nice.
Fixit looks forward to your future achievements because a future with Fixit is a future with you. Tier 1 and 2 milestones are now available in the hub and
Let's see.
individually. Your first official
Probably
objective is
something
to initiate project assembly
like this, but we need an extra power pole again.
This objective will take a
Wish the power poles had a few more connections going, because it's a bit...
Oh, you can later, yeah. You get different ones.
Alright, let's set this one up to that one, this one up to that one, this one up to all the way there. Alright. Now they're both connected to the power grid.
Good. What power are we making now then? Is it 40?
I think so. Sandy, thank you for becoming a member of the channel. That is much appreciated. Thanks so much. Welcome to the club. Hope you'll enjoy. I need plates again. Now I'm out of plates. Oh boy. Alright, let me get some plates. So are we going to work simultaneously on...
Well, I think right now someone should be doing iron ingots, and someone should be doing concrete, and someone should be doing copper ingots.
Well, I think we should start now. I think we can now get some biofuel if we want to. That's just maybe more efficient. So we'll probably set up a small line for that. I'm going to take this one down and make it in the other place so that I can put it next to the mine. I'm using the mine that's furthest away now so that we have room to build the foundations on the place of the hab first before we continue right there. Do we get the splitter already? No. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Got concrete? No. See it.
I'm going to set this up in such a way that as soon as we get the splitter, we can split it and make it more efficient.
Yeah, that's fine.
This one is a little bit too far out. I can say, Sandy, it's a great game. I've heard from it a long time ago, but I never bothered to start playing it. And now that I do, I wish I had done that a lot earlier, because this is a great game. Right, I can't really line them up. That's okay. Let's just check it right here. This is so much fun. Oh wow, I am totally wrong with the placement here. I'm a bit of a nut job for all the getting things straight and organized and stuff. I know. Don't hold it against me.
No, I have that as well. Mine have to be in straight lines and parallel and horizontal.
Yeah, something like that. Just don't hold it against me.
I wouldn't put up with that slopey conveyor belt you just put in there.
Oh yeah, but this is all temporary, so then I can deal with it.
Okay, so can I select another milestone and just work at it?
Yep.
Cool.
Feels great.
Which ones are there? Because I think the one with the foundations is the one that I would love to have, so that we can lay out foundations and really start to put the factory in place where we want it to be. Ada asks how you collect food. Well, there are some berries and stuff around that we can collect. I actually have them here. So these are barrel nuts. We can collect them. But you don't have to eat in this game, so that's not a thing. So there are things you can eat, I believe, at some point. But you don't need to eat, so why would you?
Yeah, it's medicine, essentially.
Alright, let's set this all up. And then build another power pole.
I go to get batteries, I come back, there's a whole miner system set up there. Wow.
No, we don't have a whole miner system yet.
Because, well, more than just the portable thing. Okay,
yeah,
a
I know.
bigger miner system. So Dutch.
I know. Well, there we go. That's also connected to the power system, but not used. Yeah, we are pumping up the first iron ore now into a smelter, and then we create plates with it. But we need the splitters in order to set up anything efficient.
We don't need to worry about splitters till we get foundations, I think.
Yeah, first foundation, and the next one should probably be the splitters. But there's only 3.
I'm working on.
Yeah, looks very good. Well done, here it is.
Working on the foundations now.
Very nice. I'll try to keep up with chat. Hey, Blake, good to see you. How are you today? How are the kids doing? How is your partner doing? And the foot? Hope it's all good.
Hey, Blake.
I'm just trying to read chat. Oh, I'm going well. Hope for saying what? Oh, that's good. I buy too many games, Sandy. I know all about that. There's so many nice games, and you want to buy them all, but I simply don't have the time to play them all. Wifey is on it, answering questions for Patmos. Oh, that's nice. Good to hear. Why aren't the ingots getting in then? No power. I've hooked it up. No, I didn't hook it up. Ah, that's my mistake. I hooked up the wrong machine. There we go.
Okay, wire's being produced.
Okay,
It's
great,
still-
great.
Still way off. I'll belt it in eventually.
We need much more. So I'm gonna put a miner on that node. Figure
Limestone.
out how to.
Yeah.
I'm producing plates now, and as soon as those are done, we can switch to the rods to finish off the rods that we all need, and then we need 200 concrete, which is a lot.
That's why I need more. I can't keep running back to the portable miner like this.
Can we build the biofuel thing already? The biomass burner? Yes. So we could put up a biomass burner next to the concrete. Shall I go to the
Okay,
one that I placed and
that'd
set
be
up a
good.
small line there?
What, the limestone?
Yeah.
Yes. That's where I am right now, collecting what it has mined.
On my way, and
So
I'll
that I
set
can
up a
go back.
small mine line.
You doing the miner as well? Because that's what I was working on.
Yep, I have the stuff on me to build a miner. I hope I have everything, but I don't think so.
Okay.
But I do have everything for a miner at least. Maybe if you come back, you
Just
can
carry
start
on.
to make... Oh no, we don't have to make a power line because we're going to build a local power supply. Yep. Oh, I need 20 concrete. Ah, can you bring some
Okay, well,
concrete?
that's what I was going to make. Come back and do that. So
Why don't you put a crafting bench
Okay.
over there as well? And
Yeah, but I don't have any on me as well. I'm just going to set up the smelter and then the
we
constructor.
don't
Oh,
need
we only need
these
the constructor.
ones here now.
But this is slow. I'm going to put in a storage container in the middle.
where did they go?
So, you know, we didn't need 3 here, but you do need 1 out there.
Time I come back, something's different.
We don't stand around.
That's what happens in a multiplayer game. So before you think
Oh,
about
hey, I just
joining in a multiplayer game, consider that there's 3 different people approaching this game differently, which is normal because it's okay. But in this game, you can have completely different thoughts about how things should be done. All right.
noticed that my computer's having trouble. Not my gaming computer, my other computer. So I'm not looking at the stream right now.
And what issues does it have?
It's crashing.
Oh.
Oh, I hope it's okay. Getting old, you know. So what was I doing? Okay, so you need concrete. I now have 32. Is that enough?
Hey, Gerpster! Nice to see you. How are you today? Just lurking. Oh, now I'm interrupting your lurking. Sorry.
Well, we need 150 for the upgrade.
Don't run. Stop.
What? Oh, you can build the mine. I've already set everything up. You just have to build the mine. Come on. Oh, I have the portable miner. Sorry. Yes,
Just-
hello.
Yeah, because, well, the miner, we may not have enough power for it. Miner, we'll use 5. Yeah, we got enough to set it up.
I've built a...
Am I giving
I've
it to
built
you?
a... Oh, you just come with me. I've built a biomass burner there already to set it up.
Oh, okay. Oh, you separate power supply. Okay.
We'll make an independent little one here, and then we have to get started on the biofuel, or at least the better fuel for all these things. All right. But do you have enough on you to build a miner here, Dev?
Need plates.
Okay, I just need the concrete.
I need 10 plates. Okay, so here, let me just give you the concrete.
Drop it on the floor. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
All right, there we go. Let's see. Is this lined? That's fine. Let's just put on the logistics. Oh, I need 6 iron plates to finish the...
Alright, I'm going.
Chewbacca in this game.
Oh, Chewbacca, yeah.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Yeah.
Right, well this is all set up for the concrete now. All I need is a few plates for the last bits of conveyor belt.
Yeah, I got them. I'm coming back.
Good, well I'm going to approach you and then I'll give you the leaves you have to put in the bio burner. So then you can set it up and make it work. Let's see. Here you have a bunch of leaves. There you go. Enjoy.
You.
Okay, did we switch out production here already to the rods? No. Let's do that. Production. Fire and Patmos trying to do a Wi-Fi imitation with
I think you did a pretty good job.
She just did. She does it every now and then. Usually when I annoy her, so I don't know if it's a compliment, but. I'm going to need to make some stuff.
Concrete's up and running.
Perfect. Well, now we just have to hold it back and forth so we get to the 200.
Well, we got conveyor belts for that.
You not want to just put up a conveyor belt?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll do that. Let's see how many I can get before I run out.
Let's make a bit of a
Already don't have enough stuff.
biofuel place here. See if this is the same angle. Yes, there we go. Build another storage, and then when I set this up, we should have a biofuel creation machine. Okay. Invalid conveyor belt shape. Yeah, sometimes that happens. Now it's good.
There's nothing making plates right now, right?
No, because we need the rods. Oh, we needed the rods, but they're done too, so we can now switch back to plates if you need them.
I do. I need spots for a conveyor.
Okay.
Why does it say on now?
Alright, let's put in the leaves.
Oh.
I have set up a small biofuel creator. Well, it's not biofuel, it's biomass, I believe. But if you have leaves, then you can put it in one of the storages. It will go through a constructor into another storage. And then we have better fuel.
Good.
Hey, I need rods, but I don't think I need this many. Can I just take all these, or do you need some?
Yeah, take what you need.
No, if you... where are the rods? Where are you looking at?
I've just taken them out of the constructor.
Well, I don't know if you know this. If you check on the stream, you can see it. If you have something in your inventory... I can do it right here. I have...
split it?
I have 100 iron ore. Yeah, you hit the left button and it splits. So you can split resources indefinitely and then just take what you need.
So do you want... I'll just put 22 in there then. Taking 22.
So you can put leaves on a belt, which takes it to the fuel. Well, you put the leaves in a storage container, and if you hook up a belt, so you have to hook it up on the right side, the exit side, it will transport it via the conveyor belt into the constructor, which will turn it into biomass, and then the other conveyor belt will take the biomass out and put it in the next storage, and then you have an automated setup where you just have to put the leaves in and you get the biomass. Once we get to biofuel, I will make another constructor next to it and another storage, and then we can turn the biomass into biofuel, and then we can later on even hook those up to the bio burners, and we have a fully automated system where the fuel will be transported to the burners. But for now, the more we build, the more we have to remove once we get to the foundations. So it's probably best to focus on getting to the foundation point, so that we can start laying a foundation network.
I don't have any plates right now, right?
I don't know, maybe there's in the box.
No, I just checked.
You're going to need a lot of plates to run that conveyor belt.
Can I switch this constructor for a minute to plates? Please?
What?
I'm gonna switch this constructor from iron rods to plates
Yeah,
for a
fine,
minute.
fine. Do what you need. That's all the time. If you need something, do it. So unless you have the actual biofuel, you need to feed it manually. Well, you probably mean in the end.
Only the hub, yeah.
You will always need to feed the first storage either with leaves or wood, because that's where it all starts. And that will be turned into biomass. Then with the next constructor you can turn it into biofuel, and that you can transport via conveyor belt, or you can also do that with the biomass towards the bio burners. As soon as you get coal, you can completely automate the system, because you can just put up a coal mine and put it in a coal burner with some other resources that we're not going to tell you yet. You'll find out as soon as we get to that point. But then you can make a fully automated system. But with the biofuel, you have to manually put in stuff so that it will start to turn that into biomass. You still have to collect the leaves or the wood. How hard is it to talk?
That's a foreign language for you, though.
Well, I think instructing some...
I'm
Oh, yes, sorry.
No, go on. Okay.
I've been recording some videos in Dutch, and that's actually harder than to do it in English, because I'm always doing this in English, never in Dutch. So you just go to start talking Dutch or English naturally now, and then I have to really think when I do this in Dutch, like, what am I going to say? And then...
So English is your gaming language.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But I guess it's also just related, like when I sit behind my computer and I work on stuff for the channel, then I do that in English, so...
Yeah.
You immediately switch to English in your head, but... It's a lot of fun to do it.
In your everyday life, is it mostly Dutch? Because I know there's a lot of English speaking there as well, so...
My everyday life is mostly in Dutch, although I do notice that I every now and then think in English.
Ah, really, eh?
So,
that's interesting.
A bit weird. Yeah, I'm just a weirdo, but everybody knows that, so it's fine.
And in your head you say, why the hell am I thinking in English? I should be thinking in Dutch.
Something like that. Well, those are some comforting words from Wifey. Humanity is stupid. Thank you. I'm humanity, so thanks.
So, did you just set up the miner then? What was it?
I did not set up anything. Oh, one of the things ran out of fuel, so... New fuel in, and it's on. Ooh,
so, I'll do a bit of gathering then. There's loads of wood here, but unfortunately no chainsaw yet.
No, but I'm putting in some biofuel now, so that lowers the input at least. And once the leaves are out, we can start to put in the leftover wood that we have and set it up to burn the wood into biomass. There are some restaurants with only English-speaking staff. Yeah, that's true, and there's quite a few people from different nations in the Netherlands, which is completely fine. But sometimes it's then easier to talk in English to people, like with our Polish neighbors. One of them, I don't speak Polish and they don't speak Dutch, so we resort to English then.
Nice to have the option, though.
Yeah.
I've got no chance.
Alright. Well, we're getting close to the foundations, that's nice. Hard to keep up with chat though, so I try to do my best. Hey Auntie, good to see you. How are you today? Ooh, I see some concrete coming our way. Very nice. Just reaching the end of the line, but very nice.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I keep having to run back for plates.
Oh yeah, but just build sections then. It's fine. You don't have to stretch it all out.
I am.
Well, otherwise, just grab a load of ingots and take those over, and then have a crafting bench nearby so you can just build what you need.
It might be a good idea to just to stop here and just build a storage here and connect it to it, because we have to set up the whole foundation network first anyway.
I was gonna put a storage, but is this close enough?
Yeah, this is fine. This is not too far. We just have to run a little bit, but we have to move anything soon anyway when we start to put in the foundations. And maybe we should get the I think the next step is also the splitters and stuff. So if we wait and get that as well, then we can remove some stuff, build foundations, and then set it perfectly up with splitters and such. Could be an option. Talking about sign language now. Well, that's the influence of Wi-Fi in chat. 16 people watching. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks for spending your precious time here with me. It's much appreciated. Or with us, I have to say. Sorry. Make room for local making. What do you mean with that, Cyrus? Hey, Cooper. Good to see you. How are you?
Alright. Storage container is up and filling with concrete.
Good. Perfect.
I need to take a few minutes to figure out what's wrong with my other computer. I'll be right back.
Take all the time you need. We'll see you soon. All right. Cruise now. I missed the Thursday stream. Oh really? Well, I stream on Wednesdays and Fridays, so I guess I missed that stream too. But did you miss the one where I did Satisfactory alone, or did you miss the one where we played Astroneer in one big chaotic way? Is it here that Buramis playing too? Yes, Auntie. I'm here with Evan Buramis.
Hi, Auntie.
I act as the muscles and they act as the brains. Well, you're making some good amounts of biofuel. Make a flat base with foundations. Yeah, that's what we're going up for, Cyrus. But we have to wait until we unlock the foundations. We should be pretty close now. And then we will start working on that. And then we are also going to optimize some of the productions. Because we can get a lot more stuff out of the iron mines that we have. 17, 18. Come on, one more concrete. There we go. I'm bringing in the last concrete now to finish the hub upgrade.
Yeah, not many left.
There we go. Pressing the button. New buildings unlocked. Well, the next step.
Several new structures are now available for improving factory organization.
What do we have in here?
If I stop Ada, does this stop it for everybody?
No, it should say that as well in the description. I've been checking up on that, and if you turn it off, it should be that we can still hear her and stuff, and that stuff will be still in the codex as well, it says.
Okay.
If you want to completely stop her, I believe you can just go ahead. Almost completed the game. I have to make pasta and stuff. Oh, okay.
Yeah, nuclear pasta's troublesome.
Nice. I know Buramis also has finished the game already. That's why he's the brains of the operation. So that's nice. I haven't finished it yet. way too busy optimizing my little small factory in my own game. But this game is so much fun. Ooh,
power.
who did that?
It's probably just the local supplies gone. No, it's got some. So was that.
It's the one for the concrete.
Oh, it's only a. Well, we may as well link that into the network then.
Yeah, but it has. Then we have to probably get the bioburner.
I'll deal with it. Don't worry.
Soon enough, I always like to get rid of the bioburners in the actual base and just use the separate ones so that you can always move the hub without getting into issues. I think the rocket should be flying back. There it is, so we can drop new stuff in. Hello, rocket. There you go. Would be nice if Iridef came back and we have this all figured out already.
She doesn't like that.
She's up
when
for a
things
surprise then. Let me make some more rods. Oh, just a few. Well, this one is done. We also have the logistics one, so then we can set up foundations and use the splitters to optimize things. So I guess that's a very good one.
Yeah. I think it's a good location, so just build here.
Yeah, seems pretty good. Just going to try and make the rods that we need. I've got to go. My hubby wants to watch The Walking Dead together. Oh, nice. Well, enjoy that, Sandy. Thanks for stopping by. It was really nice. And, well, I hope you you can find some people for some of your co-op games, so you can do that. And maybe at some point I can drop into a game as well. Would be nice. Thanks for becoming a member. Much appreciated. And we hope to see you another time. Say hi to your hubby and have a good evening. Nice, Cyrus. When are you going to get started with your Rimworld game? We don't know that yet. True, Rodog. The graphics and the freedom you have in this game are awesome. You can do so many things, all in your own way. This is such a great game. Can be complex though if you play with others and you have whole different ideas about how to set up a base, but depending on how good friends you are, you'll find a way.
That's just life, isn't it? You know, people have different ideas how to do things.
Yeah, but sometimes in life it's easier to ignore people like your neighbors and stuff than it is when you start playing a game together. Bit hard to start ignoring you now.
Line?
Did you happen to bring some of the copper wire with you?
I've just got some then.
I thought you come from that direction.
There you go, it was 100 for you.
Oh, nice. Well, then we're almost there. We need another 3. Oh, there's 103.
Oh, hang on.
Perfect. You have everything. We just need 1 plate. I'm going to get the plate.
Okay, so I went away for 5 minutes, so now I'm lost.
Well, we didn't move any equipment. We're just doing the next mission so that we have the splitters as well.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh.
And
Can
now...
I do it?
Sorry?
What?
What?
Are you pressing the button?
I already did that. Yeah, it's flying away already.
Oh, there it goes. Bye.
Alright.
I don't know what it's going to do, but...
We need a lot of concrete and a lot of plates to set up the foundation network.
Thanks, Ada. Thanks, Josh.
We need screws now. Are we doing that yet?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'll work on that.
Ooh, there's only 18 concrete. There's not a lot coming in.
I'll handle that, don't worry. I just came back to get some biomass for that other burner.
Yeah, everything is now stopped.
It only had leaves in, so it wasn't going to last.
So how big of
Oh,
a
it ran out.
foundation do we want right now at the area here? 1, 2, or 4 meters?
Well, enough to do rods and plates at the same time, and so your rods can go into screws.
No, but I mean the foundation. How high do you want it to be? If I start on a high point, we can make it 1 meter thick, I mean. How thick do you want the foundation to be?
If you start with the thickest, you can set it whatever height you want and then work out from there.
Well, I guess I need both your help soon to plan out where we're going to make it. Because the terrain is quite bumpy, so I want to show you what I want to be doing, and then we can see if that's what we all want. Because I think we have to start at the high point where we... Otherwise, there will be areas not on the thing. But I thought if you start with just a 1 meter high, then you don't go too high straight off. Probably do the 2
Yeah, but you
meter.
can set your deep one to equivalent to 1 meter.
Oh, I don't know how that works.
Okay. So I'll just come and have a look. Let's see. So that's your 1 meter now, is it you're putting down?
Well, I have one right here. Let me just put it down. If we start here with that one, that's 2 meters deep.
See, I'm now putting a 4 meter next to it, but it's coming in at that level. So I can set this one at a low level, you see.
Yeah,
it means
okay.
if the elevation changes, it will fill in the ground below, so it's not a problem there.
2, but then we're still going to make one big completed area, right?
Yeah, and they don't cost any more whether it's thicker.
Okay, well, we'll just go for that then.
I mean, that height's good, I think. Sorry, forget that.
Yeah, I think this is the good height, and then now at least this mining area is covered, so we can start to build a mine here at some point. Yes.
And do you know about the zoop mode as well?
Yeah, that's really nice. But I just need
I am
plates and
still learning
concrete to
about that. Can you teach me how to do that?
You just press R, I think it is, when
Yeah.
you're in that
R?
build mode.
It also goes for conveyor belts and stuff. If you if you click a conveyor belt, it says build mode default right under conveyor belt mark 1. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And then if you hit R, it changes the build mode to straight or default. If you see that and you want and some of these constructions you can change the build mode. And if you do it for the foundations, then you can get a different mode, which is the soup mode. And then you just click a starting point and you drag a straight line and it will build along a straight line. I believe you can do up to 10 at one go then.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's helpful.
It would be nice if you could do
Okay,
the
so
whole
we're
platforms, but...
Eventually we want to move all this stuff up here, right? So...
Yeah, we also have to make it more efficient, and I think soon we have to move the hab and stuff, because it's in the way. Ready.
Okay, well, I'm just going to carry on with this grading until you tell me something to do.
Well, if you want to... The main thing we need right now is concrete. Because we need it for the foundation, but also to build a miner and stuff, so that could be one. We have to move the hab soon.
Yeah, just work towards that now.
Still making the plates.
We'll probably need another power supply first to compensate for its loss, so it's worth sticking another burner in first.
Well, it's probably best to just find a place now where we're going to have our power supply for now, and just build 3 or 4 burners there and hook them up, and then hook them up to the whole system. Can we not build this here, please?
You build away.
Oh, but right here's an iron mine.
Where here is, where are you?
I'm right
Yep.
next to you.
No, it'll come off this way. Oh, you mean you want to put the hub somewhere completely different?
Yeah, if we move the hub over, then we can use
Fine,
this whole
yeah.
area for all the iron productions.
No problem. I was just recreating what we had a minute ago. Carry on.
But if you just move everything like right here to the right, then we should already be fine, because then it's
Okay.
out of the way for the mines. And I think we should leave these machines running for now, and then soon enough we can go ahead, hopefully set up a complete new system already.
We're going to struggle for concrete now. We need to speed that up a bit.
Yeah, it's a real struggle. I need 5 more to at least build the mine, and then I'm probably done with the concrete for a bit.
I've got some, or unless, did you get it?
I'm getting it now from the conveyor belt.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was just doing.
I should be able to. Oh yeah,
I was having a little trouble grabbing it.
I'm seeing a big hole here in the conveyor belt. That's where you've been.
Do you want what I picked up?
No, I just need a bit. That's it.
I'm already there.
Right, I'm done.
Okay, power might go. There it goes.
Oh, that's okay.
Yep. So does that mean we need another?
No, we'll come back in a minute. Don't worry. Oh, can't see.
Oh, I see, because you took the
Yeah,
hub, or the hub.
I slightly missed.
Okay.
Just need a bit more, I think.
Melters.
It's bigger than you expect.
Yeah, it's quite big.
That's what she said.
Oh boy.
Right on cue.
Sorry, I had to. You set me up.
That's why I don't play with others, says Rodog. Yeah, I know. It's not selfish, Rodog. It's just you know yourself and you just want to play by yourself. That's fine.
Borrow these.
You're not selfish.
In the way.
That's fine. I think with these bigger structures, you're too close to them sometimes to see.
This
If it's
co-op
gone
is
ahead.
not as chaotic as Planet Crafter. Hope not. We're doing our best to make it not too chaotic, so that should be working.
That's it. It can come over
Alright, I have
a little
everything
bit
now.
more.
The smelters.
Oh, by the way, if you position something and you can't see it properly, press H. It'll stay where it is and it gives you a chance to move around. And then,
Really?
Ooh, nice.
yeah, then
Oh,
you can reposition it.
Somebody sounds
You
like
just
she
gave
needed
me-
that before.
Oh, you just gave me such great information. I can tell you how frustrating it has been
Oh, yeah.
trying to figure out where to
Oh,
position
nice.
something.
Hey,
It's right in my
Anubis,
face.
good to see you. How are you today? Hope all is well. Nice to have you here again.
Hey, hello, new person. Yay.
No, Anubis was here last time. Even became a member. It
no,
was so
new.
nice.
I know.
Oh, you weren't there.
No,
of
I
course.
watched the replay.
Ah,
I watched the replay and I saw it all go down. Hi, welcome.
very nice. All right, let me. I'm just going to focus now on the start of the whole first iron line.
Do this.
Trying to build that up. That's okay
Okay, power's back.
with everybody.
Yeah, that's fine. You do what you do. I'm just gonna keep working on this upgrading.
Okay.
I have to use a lot of rods to make screws. So, do you need rods for anything else?
You just do what you need to do, and if we need more, we'll make more.
Yeah.
I need to switch the instructor over for now.
Concrete
fine,
seems
so-
to have stopped. Why is that? Oh, it's coming again now.
Oh, that's the hole that Herodev and I created by stepping on the thing and picking up concrete
yeah.
from it.
Impatient.
Let me check
It's
how
too
much,
slow.
How much does come out of this? We need the numbers. We need 120 ore a minute, so we can build 4 smelters in a row. That is nice. That is nice. That's
Can we power
a
them
lot
all?
of smelting. Oh, we'll make it so that we can power them all. Oh, I need more rods.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm making them over here at the constructor.
Okay, yeah, there's nothing in
How many
the,
do you need?
in the chest. A couple of 10 or something
Where are you? I've got a bunch.
at the moment. But I'm gonna need a whole lot more, and I need some plates and wire and stuff soon, so.
I'll split my stack.
Oh,
There's
thanks.
39.
39. Well, that's a start.
Oh,
Have you got enough room, or do you want the hub to move over still?
For now I have enough room. Because I'm going to try and make this all go straight, I think. And then yeah, I have to think about how to do this. Why can't I make this Sometimes conveyor belts are dumb. Connect. Oh, this one is probably... Oh,
User error.
No, this one is the wrong way around. You build smelters and they're all in the right position, and then all of a sudden the next one you build
Yeah, I've had that before.
appears to be completely turned around, and you're trying to hook the conveyor belt up to the wrong side. Oh, thank you very much, Hiradef. Found the rods. There's a
Oh, I
gaping
thought you
hole
saw
here
that.
in our foundation.
Yeah, that's me getting concrete. I'll fill it in a minute.
Okay. Good. Well, otherwise I would have done it, but...
Oh, you've got the stuff. Carry on.
No, I don't have it. That's why I was like, oh, I should probably get
Okay.
some concrete and fill it up. But then I thought, well, you might be doing that already.
Actually, you'll have to reposition that because there's a leg come down. So can you dismantle that last one?
Oh, yeah.
I don't like that. So then, no, you can put it back in.
Then you get clipping.
Yeah.
We don't want to make you upset, so we'll fix it.
Same with, when a wire goes through a structure, I kind of go, I don't like that. I'll have to reposition it.
Yeah, that's the next thing. We have to wire this all up. Let's see. How am I going to do
You'll
this?
find out what's the bugger really. And yet at the same time, I don't care. I'm a slob. I'm both. It doesn't quite work out.
I'm gonna get so much iron. What to do with it?
Okay, biomass is about to run out. That's okay.
There should be some wood in the case that we could put in and then switch it over to make.
Yeah, I'll just top these up. I don't think we're
Nubis,
fully...
how are you? Nice to have you. Need to concentrate a bit better, so I'm off. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you, the Gerbster. You have a good day. Hope you can concentrate. And we'll see you next time.
I put some rods in the chest.
Ah, perfect.
That's what we want now. 100 plates and 300 wire. I'll get the wire.
I'm going to make some reinforced plates because I'm going to need a lot of reinforced plates for all the constructors. Can you please repeat the tip Ramus gave? The one that made Hiradef happy. I don't know which one, but I'll just pass that on.
Okay, so when you're trying to place a structure, you'll see it appears in blue. If you press H, it freezes it in situ, which means you, the player, can then move around and look at its orientation and see if it fits. And then you either press H again if you want to readjust it, or you can press Enter and it'll build where it is.
For those that want to see it, I have it here. I have a blueprint. Now I want to see if it's placed correctly, so I hit H. Now it should stay in place, and as you can see, it stays in place. I can walk around it, see if it's lined up. No, it's not. I've made a little error. And now the question is, how can I now move it again? Oh, I can just use the arrow keys and move it. Nice. Alright, and that's where I want it to be. And then I now click it, and now it's getting built. So that's how the H works. I hope that helped. Thanks for the tip, Uram. It's really helpful.
That is awesome. That's one of the best tips so far.
Yeah,
For me, anyway.
totally agree.
Well, if you look, you see it's all there on the HUD. So at the bottom it says build, left mouse button, rotate hologram, scroll up, scroll down, snap mode, hold left control, H, lock hologram. So it's not me, it's all in the game.
You told us.
Kinda bad
Thank
for
you.
not looking at stuff like that.
Alright, let's start setting this up. Now, what I'm doing for the people at home, we have 4 smelters here, which create a lot of iron ingots. One smelter can fuel one of these constructors to make iron plates. So I'm going to use these two to create iron plates here and set up some conveyor belts. I'm going to create a merger on this side that will merge the conveyor belts of 2 smelters. So I'm going to hook these 2 up now. So this one is going to get in there. And this one is going to get in here. And then I'm going to make sure that they hook up to these 2 machines with a splitter again. And then that's usually the best way to make sure that everything gets distributed evenly. And then we have, once we all power this all up, we have 2 constructors making iron plates for us, which is very useful because we're going to need a lot. And we can use those iron plates later, for instance, to construct the strengthened iron plates. And then we still have 2 smelters left that can do some other stuff, which I'm also going to use. So I'm going to merge these 2 right here. That's why we're setting this up a bit spacious, so we have the room to run the conveyor belts all around. And
Oh,
these
I'm
ones...
ready to. Never mind.
Milestone reached. Try the molecular analysis mission.
Somebody came and usurped my
With local research,
tin push.
research and develop new technologies.
Was that you, Promise?
It was, yeah, 'cause it was wire, so.
Tools, weapons, and factory
I think we're going to go to this side. Can we get a bit more foundation going, people?
alignment with Fixit's core pillars.
If we got the concrete, have a
Where
look.
do you want it?
Explore and exploit.
I've started it now, so you can see where I want it. I'm building the whole factory here. In this area.
Should be investigated regardless of any perceived danger.
I'm now starting to think I should probably do this differently, that's why. Because we need rods and screws, but for the screws we need the rods as well. So I'm going to take this down.
Okay, we're on tier 2. Do you want, as a priority, solid biofuel? I think that's worth getting first, isn't it?
I don't know. You make the choice you
Okay.
want, that's fine.
I've selected that one.
Or do you want foundations?
Right here, these two, and then all the way up to match the rest of
As
the
far as I can go?
foundations. To match the rest of the foundations should be fine.
You were using the
4
1 meter?
4 meter.
4 meter, sorry. Okay, so what is
So
this?
out of these two smelters, we also get the iron ingots, but I need some reinforced plates first, and then I'll show you all. Because I like to work with the numbers. So now the two smelters that will eventually go to the constructors that make the iron plates will now work efficiently. We get in 60 ores that will be all melted and all produced into plates in a minute. And there will be basically no leftovers. And that's what I like to accomplish, to make a closed system that uses all the resources. But now for the screws and the iron nails and stuff, that's a bit harder. But we're going to do our best. Do need some more iron plates as well, I see.
Okay, I'm starting to run into stuff here.
Alright, let me see. Is Biome Scottish? I think I hear an accent I recognize, says Roadhog. I can't
No,
answer
not
that.
quite.
I don't know if you've insulted him now, Roadhog, but...
No, I just think it's Scottish. Okay. Not heard that one before. I'm northern, put it that way. No, I'd be proud to be called Scottish. That's fine.
Iris says, do the wrap around on mergers and splitters. I have no idea what you mean there. Cooper says, I have not got it. What is the end product, or is it only making stuff for new and bigger machines? Yeah, that's the thing. For now, we'll just be unlocking new stuff all the time, and we have to rearrange our factory every now and then to match the new production. But there is an end game to it. We're not going to spoil anything yet, but there is an end game to it, which will take you several hundred hours to get. And then we should have everything done, basically. But yeah, the whole point of this is to build factories, to build new equipment, and then you unlock something new, and then you have to make some adjustments, get some new resources in, build some new stuff, expand the factory, which is the whole fun of it, I think.
And save humanity. That's the idea at the end of this.
Yeah, well, I don't know if I'm the right person for that, so that's probably not going to happen, but... Alright, Iridef, you're here. Are you asking me a question, or...?
Yeah, over here. I've run into... I'm gonna actually be building on top of stuff. So do you want to move this stuff first, or should I just build?
Probably just wait a little bit. Because as soon as we can get a portion of this running, we will be making the stuff that is now being made in that, so then we can get it cleared out.
Yeah. Okay. So what else shall I do? Just continue with the upgrade?
I guess.
Well, unless you have something else for me.
Can't really think right now. Oh, I missed materials. What
Can you
am I
do
missing?
screws?
Ooh, I need plates. I need a lot of plates.
Do screws, yep.
Oh, this is making rods. Let's switch production out to plates then for now. Can you make some plates for me? Just a handful, that's it.
Well, we can split now, so split that into 2 constructors, 1 for plates and 1 for rods.
Where are we going to split that then?
I have.
You made space in the middle, do you? So where the ingots split into 2.
have whatever rods you just took?
Shall I do it?
Need them?
Oh, all of them?
Oh, was some? Half?
Yeah, I'll keep a small
Do you
portion.
need 'em?
I'll
Okay,
keep
well, hang on.
33 for now. You can have the rest. There it is, 2 packs.
Cute.
Yeah,
Packs?
I still need the plates. I need a lot of plates.
Thank you. Travis, are you doing plates?
Spikes
On
melted
it in a
in my
minute.
lab again. It also has more views that I have with a 50-second video. Yeah, it was a very cute video of your cat, Cyrus. It was very nice. Did I answer your question, by the way, Cooper, about what this game is about? Alright, so if we check these constructors now, we're going to make iron rods in this. We only need 15 ingots a minute to make the iron rods in these. So 1 smelter can feed 2 constructors just for the iron rods. So that's what we're going to do right now. Set this one up right here.
I'm just going to move this because it's on a janky angle.
Where are you? I'm starting to get hard to see you guys because there's so much stuff here.
Let's see, because this is
You
not
are here.
placed ideal. Hello? What is it?
Plates.
Oh, thank you. I'm just putting this down now so that I can start to really work on it. Is this enough space? I think so, but I cannot be sure. No, I have to move it a bit back further. Oh, we're going to need some more space soon, people.
Bramus, you asked me for screws? Or
Yeah,
do
for
you need
the for the space elevator, it needs 500. Not for me.
So should we just store those in the crate then for now?
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, you can put them straight in small amounts. It's fine.
Let's see if this works with the conveyor belt. Oh. Oh, this is the wrong way around. That's not good. Oh, that happening again. So the machines got turned around, so I have to make it so that the exit points this, or the entrance points this way and not the exit. Yeah, there we go. This should do it.
The other thing is to use 1, 2, and 3 when you're building things. Like 1 is a lamppost, 2 is a connect wire, 3 is a conveyor belt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I try to use it, but not all the time.
Makes things quicker.
I don't understand. How do I put it straight in? The space elevator.
From your inventory.
Yeah, but into where?
That may not be ready yet. There's the thing returned. Come have a look.
This
What
is
you
not
doing?
I
how
don't
I want to set
understand
it up.
this part.
Okay, so if you
Oh, it's... Oh, yeah.
in the view I've got now, I can see the empty slot for 500 screws. If I had 500 screws in my inventory, they would show up at the top. If I just double click them, they'll go straight in. So do you want to try that?
Oh, this is the... Oh, okay. Okay.
Some
I
are
didn't
in
realize
already.
it was inside this. I just put them there.
Okay. Yeah, some have gone in already.
So for those watching, one of the
Sorry,
fun parts for this game for me is the trial and error. So you try to set up a factory that you think is efficient, and then once you see it, you're like, nah, this is not it. And you try a different approach, and then that's what I'm doing right now. I thought I had a good thing in my mind, but I think this is a better way to do it. So now we still have some room to walk here, although it will be filled up with another conveyor belt. But now at least we can start to make the rods here. We're going to make 15 rods out of 15 ingots, or 10 rods, 20 rods, 15 rods, yeah. But that's good, but now we have to turn that into screws. And for the screws we need 10 a minute. We are making 30 a minute with these 2 machines. So what I could actually do is build 2 extra machines for the screws, and the leftovers will go into a storage space for the rods, so that we slowly build up a little bit of rods too, I guess. Be a bit tough to make, but good, Amis.
Hello.
It's almost time to start deleting the structure that we have working now with the mine and the smelter. So it's probably a good moment to start firing this whole machine thing up that I've created.
Yeah. Well, we don't need 2 rods just yet, do we? Why not have 1 rod and 1 plate?
Well, we can just turn off a few factories if we don't need it yet, so to save some power.
Okay, because this is our plate.
That's the
Making
2 for
down
plates, but we do need a lot of plates for now.
Oh, you got plates already. Okay, carry on then.
This
You
line
can
is
go.
for plates, but nothing is powered up yet. So if I start to wire this, can you make sure that we have enough biomass burners and stuff to hook it up when I'm done wiring it?
Yeah, let's see. Well, what have you worked out what your power consumption is, Mr. Maths guy?
No, that's what I usually just hook up all my machines to different power lines, and then you can click the power line and see that.
Okay.
So that's what I'm going to do right now.
Okay, well, I'll clear this then. Give you a bit more power.
All right, let's go.
Oops.
Like to build a lot of
Oh,
power
hey,
lines.
that was.
Yeah, watch where you step.
I was just standing there taking ingots off the belt, and all of a sudden the whole thing disappeared, and I thought I did it, but
Of course you did.
that's not me.
All right. I'd like to always build a lot of power lines so that we get a lot of good connections going.
Okay, we are using 26. No, we're using 22. It's variable. But our capacity is 70. So you should be alright, but it depends how much you're using there.
Yeah, I'm trying to hook it all up now.
Just do one at a time.
No, I'm going to do a full line. So the one line with just going to make the plates that I've set up now.
Okay.
No, I need one more actually. So this one goes to that machine as well. Okay, this is all set up now. It will consume 29 as maximum consumption, it says.
Somebody holding a bunch of iron ingots.
I've just put them into the box
have
in the
them.
hub, so if you want them, they're
Oh,
there.
okay.
I have 100 for you here.
Oh, there's a bunch here. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay.
Did you already drop it? Okay.
Can we power this up now, do you think, Beramis?
We'll just go and stand by the switch, just in case. Yeah, go on, you go. I'll stand by the switch.
Okay, where's a power line that I can connect it to?
Build one.
Okay. But then, I can connect it to
Yeah,
this
there's one here,
right?
yeah. The one where I'm standing. You want to come to this?
Yeah, I'm building one. Oh, I don't have any concrete. All right, we'll fix it up now first. There we go. 1 and 2. There we go. Now, of course, it will slowly get into power because the machines that don't have any input yet won't start to work. So they won't use any power yet, but soon enough they will. And then we'll see if this is actually sufficient or not. But you should be able to get good numbers on the machine to see if this is sufficient or not.
You have a smelter with no output here, by the way.
Oh, I'm going over everything now.
Okay.
Yeah, but those are going towards the machines that I haven't set up yet because you wanted to power this up first.
Okay, fine. Well, it looks like it's okay.
Okay.
No issues.
I'm going to expand the concrete or the foundation a little bit now. And then I'll work on the rods and the screws so that we can have those fully functional automated as well. Wifey, why do you build so much poles? Well, it looks like a lot of poles, but one pole can only have 4 connections. And every time you build an extra machine somewhere or something, you need those connections. Right now you can see this one is completely filled up with connections. This one has already 2 connections because it's connected to 2 different poles. This one has 4 connections on it. This one has 3 connections on it. This one has 3 connections on it. So there's actually not that much space left. I think people usually build too few poles and then they run out and you get a whole strange layout of poles. That's why I tried to put them in a straight line here. And just build enough poles so that I can easily hook up all the machines. And the power poles are very easy and cheap to build. So you probably end up with a nicer layout with all the wires if you build a lot of power poles than when you try to build too few. That's just how I look at it. So everybody can do that differently, of course.
Bramus, this is full. It's ready to go. So now what? Is
Go on then.
this?
Press the button.
What bitrate you put OBS
Okay.
on? There is no blurriness at all. It's 20,000. YouTube's telling me all the time that it's too high, it's not the recommended one, but I'm just ignoring that. And good that there's no blurriness, I like that. Good to hear. That's also something that I wanted to know.
The chainsaw allows for the removal of
Okay, so for these logistics, yes.
What did we get for that? Ooh, a chainsaw. Is that what
Ooh,
we were just
Chainsaw.
unlocking?
really? That would be very handy.
Chainsaw, extra pockets, and we can do the solid biofuel,
The
which
extra
is
pockets
important for our
automatic?
power. Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Perfect.
Ooh.
I'm going to continue with the rods and stuff. So maybe if you two,
I'll do biofuel.
perfect.
Me?
You can do a chainsaw and chop up some wood if you like. Or do you want to do biofuel and I'll do chainsaw?
Oh no, I'll do. Do you want to do chainsaw?
No, it's fine.
All right, people. We're going to do it like this. I've built a converter here now, or a merger, because both of these basically overproduce a few rods. So I want them all combined in this merger. Now I'm going to use a splitter again. And then you'll be like, why? Why would you do that? Well, if I use a splitter now, it will split it up evenly amongst all the different areas, which is probably the best for now. And then we just built 2 factories here that will produce all the screws that I want. And all the leftovers can go on one conveyor into a storage, which can be quite helpful. So that's actually what I'm going to set up right now. Okay. I just need some reinforced plating again to be able to build this.
Is that the audience in chat who are meant to be saying why are you doing that? Was it us? Did we come along and say why are you doing this, Patmos?
No. I just try to explain myself every now and then so that it's clear for everybody. YouTube is fine, good to hear. Hold control for grid lock line placement. Oh, thanks, that's a good one. I still have to get used to all the hotkeys and stuff. I haven't really put my time into it. I'm just, when I play alone, I'm just thinking a lot and standing still, trying to figure out how I want things to go, so I'm not too busy with it. But thanks, that will be helpful.
Where did the biomass burners go?
I don't know, I haven't touched anything. Which biomass burners?
Well, exactly. They're not here. We're just working off the hub from the looks of it. And the one at the concrete. Okay.
I thought we were setting up a different, or a power supply area already. Well, that could be next then.
Well, we've survived all right on
Yeah, so far. It's going okay. No, that's wrong. It's not supposed to be there. There we go. Oh, there's a power line in the way. Okay, I'm going to cut the power. There we go. The concrete will not work for a second, but I'm fixing it straight away. Just prevent.
Well, that's also 1/3 of our power you just cut off as well.
Oh, it's now attached again. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the constructors again. Oh, good. Let's see. Can I now place this? Oh yeah, it'll be in line. Okay, perfect. I like this. Constructor, there we go. Let's put this in good position here. Right there. Laying foundations are for the zoop mode. Yes, we've been talking about that. Yes, that's a very handy tool if you want to lay big lines of foundations. Let's see. JD, good to see you. How are you doing? Could you build a ramp or stairs or something where the deck is too high? Yes. Right now, we don't have many options, but we can build some ramps so you can easily run on it and stuff. Because right now, of course, here we can't get on it. Later on, we can unlock a bunch of stuff. We have to basically overproduce on a few things. And then you can use those and deliver those to a certain area. And you can earn tickets with it. And you could use those to buy a lot of nice goodies. So that in the end, you can actually build like real nice looking factories and things like that. So that's all in it, which is really nice.
Yeah, it's all a work in progress.
Yeah. It's one step at a time in this game. That's what I love about the game. You just take your time and you build this up one step at a time. And then you can achieve very nice, big, huge, amazing factories. But you just have to devote your time and effort into it. And I think that's totally worth it with this game, because this is an amazing game. Let's set up a storage area here. Oh, I need plates again. Oh, we are producing plates now, aren't we? Yes, good. Let's set up a main storage area. Oh, now I need rods again. Oh, we're not making rods at the moment, are we?
I thought you set up 2 for rods. Oh no, they were separate, weren't they?
Oh, they're set up now, but I haven't powered them yet. I will do that soon.
Okay, well, don't do it yet. Yeah, I'm just still doing the biomass burners now.
I'll start building the power lines, and then I know how much fuel I need for the second setup. Once the second setup is ready, we have plates, rods, and screws all being built. Alright, let's get a converger here. So this one will converge the 2 machines that we have here, which is very neat. All the plates will come out of these machines and go in here. And then we can move this into a storage container, like that one. And then we should be good. Alright, let's do it like this. Let's build it. Let's get... Oh, no. Now I dropped down. Please let me jump on. Yay, it worked. Okay. But I still need... Do I still need rods, or did I make a few? I made a few. Yes. And of course, there's many ways to play this game, many different ways to build a base as we are right now. So, of course, if you have ideas or suggestions, feel free to do those. Please don't get mad if we don't follow your suggestions. There's not just one right way or one way we should do this. There's multiple ways. All are fine. It's just a very nice and lovely game where we can have so much fun at and build it. Okay, there we go. Set this up wrong. Ah, see, now I start spotting errors in my build here. Can we build conveyor lifts? Oh, we can. Yeah, that's not going to fit as well. Error, error. Luckily, we haven't finalized this, so we can move this a little bit. We have to move this a bit forward because I need a little bit more space with this. That's why I don't power up a factory if I'm not done with it. Because usually you tend to still want to move it a bit sometimes, and then you do want the option and the space to do that, of course.
Okay, we got a bit more power now.
Oh, that's great, that's great. Let's see.
How did that do that chainsaw?
Sorry?
Working on it right now.
Okay,
This might be a bit too much forward.
because we're in wood mode, so if we do some of these tree trunks at the back of the base, we can stick them in.
Okay.
I can't seem to add this to my to-do list. It's weird. Because we're in co-op?
No?
I don't know.
I don't know if it works for equipment. It might only be for buildings.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Oh, I need more plates, that's it.
Because you can't see it until you go into the equipment making shed. So normally you would just build it in there. I don't really know what
Okay,
it's
I
called.
see.
Alright. I'll start adding the power poles in here now, so that we can at least set this up and know how much power we need for this. And then I'll finish it up very shortly.
Oh, where's our first doggo? Got nothing to feed it though. Anyone got a paleberry? No.
No,
Okay.
there should be stuff in the chest.
Don't think we've come across those yet though in this environment.
I do have a barrel nut, but I don't know if they eat that.
No.
How did you get it?
Get what?
The doggos wander around,
Oh.
don't they?
Yeah.
But how do you actually get it? They run
You-
away from me.
Well, you approach it slowly, but don't get too close, and then drop the paleberry, and then back off. It'll come to the paleberry, eat it, and then you can pat it, and it's your friend, and it'll give you equipment.
Okay.
Nice.
So will it stick around with you then?
It stays with you
Or
then.
do you
Yeah.
have to?
If you run away, it will sort of stay around, but it will hang around where it last left you, like say in your base.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
But if you find one like out in the wilderness, will it follow you back to the base and then stay at your base somewhere?
If you walk, yeah, but if you run, it won't. But you can lead it back to your base,
Okay, nice.
and then you can have half a dozen of them at your base. Then, if you want, each one giving you different material, so not bad.
Cool. Yeah, that's working out. We just needed some extra power. So that was what I was doing. So once the chainsaws are ready, we might be giving it a go, clearing out all the greens that are sometimes hanging over the foundations at some points. So
Yeah,
that-
we should be able to chop down these palm trees and get quite
Yeah.
a lot out of those.
Okay, this is good. Then this one.
Oh, I see a crash site up on the cliff. Oh, that's useful.
Yeah. Okay. Let's construct another power pole.
I'll be head of adventuring in the first part of the game if you want. Go and gather in
Okay.
hard drive. and
How
stuff.
much power do we have left over?
Should be plenty if you look at the graph.
Okay. I need 16 more.
We have capacity of 160.
Okay. I'll just put this on then. There we
We're
go.
only using 30 odd. Yes, you've just gone up to 50 now with that increase. So still loads.
Perfect. Setting the last machines up now. And then we should be getting in rods. And oh, there comes the first rods. Very good. I have to hook these all up to storages.
What I'll do is I'll put a personal storage chest next to the chest for the, for the leaves and wood. So depending on what it's set to, it's currently set to wood. So put the leaves in the storage chest, and then when we swap over, we can move the goods over. If that makes any sense.
Oh, I don't really understand what you're talking about at the moment.
Okay, maybe come over. I can have a look, show you.
Yeah, I'm finishing after the. I'll finish the machines first, so that it starts really
Right.
pump out and store all the rods and screws that we're making. I'm almost
But
done.
now, actually, you don't need to concern yourself. It's mainly headed up with the chainsaw. Hello, why are you following me?
Because I have
Oh.
the chainsaw for you.
Okay. Oh, you're giving it to me,
What
are
do
you?
I do?
I thought you
I
were
don't
going to
know,
chop
am I?
wood. You can chop wood if
Is
you
that what
want.
I'm doing?
Let's go this way and chop wood.
Okay.
Okay, follow me. So
So
put it in
can
your
I just go to
equipment,
any tree?
more or less. You've got your equipment slot too.
This is not doing what I want.
Like in my hands?
Yeah.
Equipment.
And then select it, yep. And as you go to the wood, you see it'll go into there'll be a white outline around it, and then you can saw it. Oh, sorry, before you do that, it needs fuel. So come back this way,
Oh,
get
of
some
course
solid
it does.
solid fuel. I think it will
Of course
work
it
off
does.
wood.
Why wouldn't it?
Yeah. So if you go in, oh, we're not making enough. Hang on, we've run out. Let me just get you a bit. Okay, so I'll split this. So if you
Right.
pick up this, okay, now you should be able to
Oh,
work it,
spinning. Yep.
and then come and chop up all these logs. Yep,
Let me make this.
So do I just automatically collect, right?
yep, carry on. And then you can do the palm trees behind the base as well.
Hey, Mike, good to see you. That's nice. How are you today? I'm eating my Sunday roast. Do not disturb. Okay, JD, enjoy your Sunday roast. Wow, nice talking about food now.
mycelia.
Well, I was a bit busy now, people, in chat, but as you can see right now, we have screws coming out here going into a storage container. We have some rods coming out here going into a storage container. And we have plates coming out going into the storage container. So that worked. I'm going to just feed all these machines a little bit more so that they can continuously work all the time.
You do realise you're clipping into my conveyor belt here. How untidy.
Well, you know, just move your conveyor belt. These don't need that. So that's good.
Okay.
The fruit of this fungus-like flora does not seem to
Will you
show-
just drop some of the wood you've got here,
However, its mycelium
Somebody picked up a plant.
Where are you?
investigation.
behind you?
Research it in a man to establish classification and potential application.
This
Quiet,
is-
Ada. Quiet. Thank you. Okay.
Taking them both?
cheers. Yep.
I claim cheats. Why? There's no cheats here. Alright, well we have one... We're only using one iron mine, by the way. So if we want more, we can just build on the other mine and we can do a whole lot more production. But we're now making the 3 basic iron products just off one mine.
What do we cheat?
I don't know. Oh, we have to move the biofuel stuff anyway to get to the... Oh, the burners are there. Ah, okay. Oh, nice. We're actually making the biofuel now. Well done.
Well, that's giving you 160 MW, so you don't want to get rid of it just yet.
No, I don't... Oh, I'm not going to get rid of it. I was just amazed by the fact that we make biofuel now. Very good. Nice. Well done.
It's rough and ready, but it works.
Yeah, well, we'll move it to another position maybe later if we need the space. But right now, we don't really need it. So what's going to be next? Should we go a little bit on exploration and do some other stuff and then go back to the factory and work on copper or something? Or
Well, let's see how we're doing with the space elevator. We are... Well, next stage is going to be the things like assemblers and smart plating, so we can pause that for another day if you want. Alternatively, we can have conveyor belt Mark II, which will speed things up.
well, we can put something on already. I mean, that doesn't matter. But I was more like we can now continue either with another part of the factory, like build a optimized concrete one or build an optimized copper one
Yeah.
where we build everything, or we just go out for a little bit of adventuring and see what creatures are out here and stuff. But I don't know if we are well equipped for that. You know that.
I think copper now, because it's way off there in the distance. We want to bring it into this location, don't we? So, and then we can have wire and cables set up.
Okay. Are we
Well,
all happy
got it.
with the setup here?
I haven't looked. I'm trusting you. It's all fine.
No.
So if I just
I'm
need
just-
to grab something, I just go to the containers. Yeah,
There's,
that looks good.
there's 3 storage containers where everything is in now.
You've got
Did you
plate,
say it was a berry nut that
rod.
the dog wants?
No, pale berry. It's a red one.
Oh, he just picked it up.
There's not many in this
Does it
environment.
look- Does it look like a flower?
Yeah, a little
Like
plant
a
with
dangly
little,
flower?
little red bits on the end.
Okay.
Get out and
Yeah, I
harvest
think I know.
shrooms. Get moving. I don't have seen shrooms yet in the game, I think, but that'll be interesting. Probably
I don't
won't
think
either.
I've ever seen shrooms either.
Alright, well, this is working out. So, we're gonna go to copper then. Need to bring some stuff.
I mean, I can just belt in this wire. Hera, do you want to come over and chop some of these trees down? Oh, you're here already. Okay, good.
I need to make
These?
some advanced
Yeah.
plating.
All of
Just
it?
clear this. Yeah.
Right now it's just the wire and the cables, right? For the copper.
Oh, I haven't got plates. I should have picked some up. Okay.
I might have some. I do. Oh no, it's a couple.
Okay, I'll get more.
Like literally 2. Sorry.
Well, question is, Patmos, do you want to do it properly with foundations or just bring a belt in for now?
Well, if we build a small factory at the place where the copper is and then run a belt towards a storage close to where we are, that's probably the most efficient way.
Okay, in which case get some concrete.
And then, yeah, it might be good to set up a whole foundation network there. Thank you, Cyrus, for being so nice and kind and giving all these friendly suggestions. Right, so you got the concrete?
Yep.
Okay. Let me see. I have most of the other stuff. Yeah, so I think we'll be good for a little bit.
I'm just going to zoop that way, I think. Got some rocks in the way, though.
Wow, Herodev, you have one big chainsaw there. It's like as big as you are.
Mess with me.
Yeah, you can't hit somebody with that thing, so that's cool.
I wasn't trying to. I was just showing it off.
Yeah, it's no good against enemies.
Showing off your big thing. Okay. I'll probably just empty
Also,
this
when-
out and get rid of all of it so that we can hopefully
Fine.
rebuild it.
When I was chopping down logs, I picked up some mycelia.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, maybe that's what somebody means by
Oh.
shrooms. Okay.
Here
So,
we go.
do we have the MAM yet?
We can do it, but we haven't built it yet.
Oh, feel free to build it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the ore miner didn't need to go, but fair enough.
Well, I placed the ore miner also on the foundation so that everything is completely leveled. You can build
Okay,
a
we'll-
foundation over there and then build the miner on it.
Yeah, we may have to drop down now, but we'll see.
Why should we drop down?
Don't know if it's too high on this one. When it goes over it. Let's have a look.
Don't think
Oh, no,
so.
it'll be fine, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's fine.
Why can't it hook up anymore? Oh, that's because you were building. Okay.
Too many kooks.
Okay. Wow, it's running around wild.
Sorry, other people would say cooks.
Yeah. Kook means like a nut bar. Loony,
Oh, wow.
a loony person. Like a
Well-
crazy person.
Okay, that's me.
Yeah.
Where I come from, that's the thing you read.
Okay.
Hello, puppy. There's another dog
Uh,
over here.
There's another dog over here. Oh, you're going to build the miner already?
Yeah, as well.
Thought I was going to build it.
You carry on there. Like I said, too many kooks.
Let's see. If we do it this way, then we can do the. We can basically do the same setup as we did with the iron, but then just right here.
Okay. Well, shall I leave you to that then?
Let's see. How much do we get out of this one? Also 120. Oh, that means another 4 smelters. We might need to increase the power output soon.
Okay.
Although a smelter only uses 4, I believe, but I'm going to build 4 smelters again, so.
Well, I can put more in.
I should probably leave space for the copper plates to be made as well, don't I? Because we're going to need those.
Yeah. Just put a splitter in when you on your ingots line.
Well, I think I'm just going to leave an opening so that we can. I will not hook up one of the smelters, not give it an output, so that as soon as we have to, we can give it an output. Or I might
Okay.
just set everything up and put some constructors in, even though they're not going to be used yet. That could also work.
Deb, where are you with all that wood and leaves and mycelia?
I'm trapped in between conveyor belts and stuff over at the hub.
Okay. Can you either drop it where you are
Sorry.
or bring it to the power? If you wouldn't mind just following me
wait.
for a sec.
That's placed wrong. Go away. There we go again. And of course, I'm trying to keep up with chat. If you have a specific message for me, don't hesitate to tag me in the message so that it lights up to me and I can see it more clearly.
Just wait for Patmos to finish. So at the moment, leaves are going into this small crate and wood is going into the big one. So John, just fill them in.
Now, another thing you can do
That's great,
for
thank
the
you.
people in chat, if you have a factory and you have it set up, you hover over it so that it lights up and you hit Ctrl-C, it will copy the settings, and now I go to the other one and I hit Ctrl-V, and now the settings are pasted, and now you see it will immediately make copper. So now I just have to run towards the other two, aim at them, hit Ctrl-V, and now they will also build copper ingots. So that's
You
one
just
of
put
the...
mycelia in the hub.
Nice.
It's fine. Unless you want to set up the MAM and then research it. You can can do that if you want.
I'll do whatever you
This
think
a
is
mess
best for now.
area.
Okay, so we get this on the back here.
Okay.
We build a constructor to see what we need to make all of this stuff that we have to get. A wire.
Travis,
15 ingots a minute.
you want this chainsaw? Since I'm doing something else now?
Just shove it in the box in the hub then, please. Let me know where it is then.
Okay.
I mean, we'll get our own eventually.
I'm now starting to think we should rotate this all around.
Okay, so what are we doing for objectives?
Yeah, we're going to rotate it around because now the outputs are all facing this way and we want them all the other way. So we have to turn the miner around first, see if we actually can do it the other way around. So the output has to be on this side. Can we then reach the output? Ooh, that's a problem. Yeah, then it's in the mountain, so that's not gonna work too. Alright. How can we make this face then? Can we do it this way? We can, but it's in the way of some other stuff. Let's see.
And I put the MAM right behind the engineer's workshop.
Yeah, because there's a doorway there, which would be perfect.
Equipment.
Yeah, hello. Just right here, yeah.
Hello.
Well, pointing this way, so you come through this door and you can access it. It's up to you. Do it the other way if you like.
So
Printing.
if you want to see a nut job at work building a factory, just keep watching for a bit. This could work, I guess.
Okay, so I need some stuff for this.
There we go. There'll be 120 coming out of it. We don't have the conveyor belt speed yet to get it fast enough out anyway. Later on we will, so then we can set it up properly. So if we build a splitter in front of it, we can split it. And then set up 2 lines of... Come on, where's the line that it is straight? So it's not showing up. Okay. It's probably raised a little bit, that's probably why.
You don't have anything actually making reinforced plates yet, right?
I'm
Nope.
just thinking that now we need to get on with it.
We can't do that yet. Or can we with the last upgrade? Because so far we couldn't.
No, assemblers aren't done yet, so we can go for that. But we need to make some manually.
Invalid conveyor belt shape. Ah, this is not placed straight then. Wow, this is a tough one. Let me get straight ahead. Right, so we can't build this one straight up to the mine, which is interesting. Can probably...
Yeah, there's something janky about the game. That the conveyor belt coming out of the miner is always off on a funny angle.
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's something you have to live with.
Oh, well, I will, but... Alright, let's start setting up smelters now. And the good thing about this, we can now build this in a whole different fashion, and it should be quite efficient. One, 2, and we can do 2 here as well. This is going to be interesting. One, 2. Then we're going to hook these up. Bear with me, people. I hope you already have kind of an idea what I'm going to build, but you can never be too sure. Why? Oh, I've placed this one. To turn these around, of course, because you can't put something up in the output. It has to go in the input. There we go. Now it should work. Yes, there we go. Perfect. Alright, so this one will go right here. Then we need a lot of splitter right here. And that should do the trick. Alright, let's set this up first. So this is done. At least we can start to make copper ingots here if we want to. So when will the Rimworld stream start, Cyrus? I know I already asked, but I probably missed the answer. I'm curious to know. Alright, have to set these up again, so let's pause on the settings. Then we need the constructors. There we go. Let's build one right here with the input on the other side, so it can come in from the other side. Because that's where the output is for the smelters. Okay. So what we're getting out is 30 ingots a minute 2 times. So that's 60 ingots a minute. If we start to make wire, we only need 15 a minute to actually make that. So we can build 4 of these constructors and have them all create wire. And that will be a lot of wire. And some of that needs to be turned into cable. And we can use the other 2 that I've placed here in the distance for the copper plating that we're going to need later on. That's probably a good way to do it.
The mycelial networks of these fungi possess.
I don't know if I should have waited for you. I set up the MAM and I researched the mycelia.
Oh no, that's
So I've
fine.
opened up a bit of the tree.
That's fine. There's a big research tree, most people probably know that have the game. And you find wildlife and stuff and all these things, and you can put that into research, and then you can unlock new nice goodies. Can I get some concrete here to make some more foundations?
Yep, heading your way now.
Thank you. Let's see if this works out. So the stuff comes out. What I'm trying to do now is just hook up these 2 to one smelter and hook the other ones up to the other smelter.
This fruit, dubbed the barrel nut after its distinctive color, is
That's
compatible
probably
with
one of the
digestive
easiest way
system
to
and
do
has been added
this.
to the object
Or we
center.
should merge everything, but I'm not too happy about that. So let's do it like... Oh, can we... Oh man, that's close. Just have to move these slightly back. Then it will be fine.
There's some concrete for you.
Thank you.
Have you got enough? Have you got enough plates?
I
bring
have
this.
111 plates.
They should be okay then.
Yeah, at some point I need a
Okay.
few reinforced plates, but then I'll come and get them. It's fine. Oh, that's positioned wrong. There we go. Oh, I just have to hit 5. Let's do it like this. You're in the way. Oh, that's probably not supposed to happen. Taking my time with it. Need pawns. Ah, okay, I get it. I get it. No worries. Just let us know when you're ready.
Milestone reached. The assembler can produce more complex parts, including the
Okay,
first
there we
project
go.
part, smart
So this
plating,
smelter
which
goes
is
into
crucial
this
for
splitter.
ensuring the
This smelter goes into this splitter.
must be delivered to the space elevator.
That one will go in here.
Directed duties as part of project
And then we
assembly,
just don't connect these up. And this one will go in here.
company goals without any ulterior motive. Note,
Oh,
humans
can't get in
cannot
between
We
there.
really need some paleberry.
Do not worry about your inadequate
Because you really want the dog.
skill when compared to an assembler.
Oh, we need it for research as well.
Oh, I thought you just wanted it for the dog. Well, you can just go venture out and find it somewhere if you want to. Oh, we've unlocked the assembler. Nice.
You want me to collect more wood while I'm out there? Wait,
Hey.
I need the chainsaw.
Yeah, I've just got hold of it at the
We
moment.
need it? Oh, that's fine. Carry on.
Oh, placed this wrong again. Oh boy. So people in chat, is there... Or I should probably say this differently. I'm really enjoying this. I hope you are too. Please let us know if there's any specific things that you would like us to show you, that you want to see. Or give us some suggestions on that front. Of course, we are building the factories and stuff. But if you want to see something else or want us to show you something or how it works, please just tell us. We can do that. Alright, so...
Oh, by the way, Patmos, have you got an autosave on?
Autosave. Yeah, it should be auto-saving every couple of something. Options.
I've seen it do it.
Gameplay. Autosave every 5 minutes.
Might be worth just doing a manual save now, so we've got a reference point if we need it.
I'll do that.
Have you
Save it
guys
up.
looked at the lake?
No. What's
There's
happening?
something in the middle of the lake, eh?
No. I'll come back to the base soon and then I'll check with you all. That should be fun. Alright.
I'm
Let's
gonna
go.
try and swim out there.
This is gonna make wire. This is gonna make wire.
It's a slug, power slug.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
Yeah. You've seen those before, though, haven't you?
Yes, you showed me. Can I walk across this river?
No, you'll
Okay.
probably have to swim.
Right, let's build another constructor so I can see what
the-
we need
sorry.
for the cables.
The river should be fine.
Made it.
60 wire a minute, and this produces only 30. So these two machines will produce enough wire so we can make cables on this one. So that's exactly what I wanted to see. Because now I just build a merger here. We're going to merge the cables that are the wire that is made in here and use it to feed this machine to make us cables.
Okay, Pat,
Yes.
I've found something very interesting.
Okay.
It is also going to involve kittens.
Kittens.
Kittens. Are you okay with that?
You're breaking up. So is it kittens or mittens?
Kittens.
Tins.
You know,
Kittens.
kittens.
I just hear you say
Meow, meow.
tins. So I was like, oh wow, what are you saying? Kittens. Oh, you mean arachnids that I don't see. Ah, okay.
Yes.
Oh,
It's got
wifey's going to
something
bed, by the way.
interesting
Bye, wifey. Have a good one. I'll try to
Bye,
talk a little bit
wifey.
softer.
Slap lekker.
I'm a bot created by Patmos to watch over his streams, but happy you think I'm a humanoid. Thank you, Cyrus. Very nice. All right. You know what? I want to power up this area now, so that at least we get started on some of the goods, the wire and the copper,
Oh.
and then we can probably
You
go.
put the solid fuel in the wrong place, never mind. Okay.
So is that an idea?
So
If
see
I
another-
start to power this up, and then we can go find some nice goodies and kittens and stuff like that.
Bear with me a
Sure.
sec.
Sounds good to me.
Just let you know when you put the wood into the end container. Yeah?
Who are you talking to? Me?
You, sorry.
Yeah?
When you put the wood in, you also put your solid biofuel in there, but because the constructor is working off wood, that means it stopped the construction. So you can only put one
Oh,
type
I didn't
in
know
there.
I did that.
Oh, that's right.
Is that the stuff I took for the chainsaw?
Yeah.
No, all those little icons are so tiny and they all look the same.
That's right. No problem.
Sorry. So did you take it out? Is it?
Yeah,
Is it
absolutely. It
fixed
just
now,
means you have
or-
to. When it's worth mentioning because when that happens, you have to dismantle the conveyor belt that's feeding it, and then it'll take that out and then
Oh,
reassemble
yeah,
it.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You may have come
Sorry.
across that before with other things.
Oh, I have. Trust me, I have. It's been a
Yeah.
pain in the butt. And then if there's still something in there that that you don't want on the belt, as soon as you put it back up again, it just spits it back out onto the belt again.
Well, you can
You
change the
empty
recipe
whole
then.
thing, or
That might do it. Yeah.
I might soon
Sorry
give a
about
little
that.
shout about how much power we are going to need to power this all up. Can somebody already
Okay.
tell me how much we have to spare so that I can see if that
Yeah,
is
bear with
going
me.
to be sufficient?
I can probably get another burner up as well in a minute.
Oh, that will be perfect.
We have capacity of 120, which seems to have gone down. We had 160 before,
Oh, then one of the
Um,
burners is out, I guess.
but we're only using 62 at the moment, so there's probably room.
Okay, well, I have two more that I'm not
Oh,
going to hook up because we need those for the copper plating yet, but all the rest is done, and it will now involve 28 power.
Okay, the difference is the hub is not contributing anymore, but that's fine. But yeah, I think you'll be all right.
Okay, I'll find a nice place so that I can hook this up.
You've got an extra 40 now anyway.
Okay, I'll try to hook it up and see if it starts working all properly. There we go.
I'll stand by the big switch.
Should now all be starting to work, and then we should get cable and wire.
Yep, we're fine.
Yeah, but not all the machines are working yet. They still have to.
That's
The
all right.
mine is now starting up, and then. Let's see.
It's gone up to 95, so yep, we're fine.
We check chat. Anybody has said something? Still playing. Nice. Yes, we are still playing. We're still playing now. Trying to work on the copper for a bit. Get one of these power poles out soon because that's not placed very nice. Right in the
So
middle.
you're fighting spiders, or sorry, I was like kittens. Dev.
No, I came back so I could show you guys where this neat thing is.
This
Okay.
I think
should we
I
go-
know what it is. I
Should we
think
go
you
look?
all. Well, if I know what it is, then you guys know what it is. But the chat doesn't know what it is, so
Fine, yep. Okay.
saving it.
Come on, hook up. Yes, there we go.
I know what it is, but I don't really know what it's for.
Oh, well, I don't know what it is, so we'll see
I
soon.
think.
I'll put up 2 storages here because then we can store the or I'll put up the 3 storages actually, but hook up 2 so that all the wire and copper gets stored, and then I'll come your way and we can go venture out.
Can you see where I am right now?
I don't know
Watching
where you
you.
are right now, but
I'm to your left.
Ah.
No, to your right. Sorry, to your right.
oh yeah, I see you up on the hill there.
Okay.
I need a little bit more foundation here. With foundation, I mean these big blocks on the ground, not the stuff you put on your face. Just to let the people know.
Because I haven't used that stuff in like 20 years.
Oh, I have no iron plates anymore. I can't make the extra storage. Okay.
Why don't you bring some?
If
I have
you
some.
would-
I got
oh,
8
that's
too.
nice. Can you build a storage right next to the other 2 for me then? Here it is.
I can try. I shouldn't have jumped down. Let's see.
Oh,
I can.
Oh, can you give me some place
Um,
because I need it for the conveyor belts as well.
Okay, is
completely
this
out.
lined up properly? Can you see where I'm putting this?
Just one. Yeah, if the line is in, just one more forward, and now one to the left, so that it's close to the other one. So one more to the left, and then probably yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. Can you drop me some plates then? Oh wow, thank you so much. Oh, only 8. Don't think that's gonna be
That's
enough.
all I got. Sorry, I had a bunch, but then I built you a container.
Yeah, I'm happy with the
Sorry.
8, but it's just not enough to hook up everything. Out already.
I'll head over. I've got 90 odd at the moment.
Yeah, only mods can place links. If you put the link in the Discord somewhere, or give it to one of the mods, and they can put a link up to your nice kittens video. Who's this? Ah, Mr.
There you go.
Buralis, thank you very
Oh,
much. That should probably do it for now. Alright, here we go. Then we go over here. Here, I need a merger. Like this, yes. I'm almost done here, then we can go on an adventure. How's Mr. Midnight doing? Hope you're all good. Probably. Go a bit like this, leave some space to walk. Then set it up somewhere here. I think it still needs to turn around then. Yeah, it still needs to make a corner here. And then get hooked up to that one. So let's go right here. And then in I still need 4 more plates. Oh my. What do I have on me? Do I have any iron on me? No. Can I build?
Where's Paramus with those plates?
Oh, he already brought some, but it wasn't enough. But I
Oh.
can now make some plates, so I'll be fine.
Oh, I've just run all the way over. Okay, I'll run back again.
Oh, I've built a crafting bench. That's usually the trick.
What I was thinking was just putting a conveyor belt from here to the hub, and then when you want something, I'll just put it on the belt and send it over.
Sometimes I forget it, but every now and then I'm like, oh wait, I just built a crafting bench and I can make anything I want. Alright, wire and cable coming into their respected storages, so that's being built now. And I have already set the smelters up for the copper plating if we need it.
All good.
So here, Dev,
Nice.
where do we have to go to for a big adventure? How's Midnight doing, by the way? Hope you're good.
Not far, and I don't know if it's a big adventure. It's just something neat that I found.
Yeah,
I
nice.
thought you might want to show chat.
Yeah, I'm following
You
you,
gotta
but
come
you're
up here.
standing still, so.
Well, you gotta come with me. Come up here.
Wait for me.
There.
By the way, there's some reinforced plates in the hub if you need them.
Oh, we need them later for the constructors for the copper plating.
Oh, where we are,
All
Baramas?
constructors? No. I'm looking.
We are at the copper and then up the hill.
Right here.
Okay, see you. Yep. Got me zapper ready just in case.
Here, that's
Yeah,
in
you guys
passive
might
mode,
need
so
I'm just gonna la 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 through, and you guys can zap
yeah, something like
all
that.
the
Nice.
kittens.
Oh, is it? It's the bastard bees, is it? You found?
Oh, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, when I
No,
said be
it's
careful of
not.
the round thing. Okay, there, you've approached it. Yes.
Oh wow,
What?
I'm
What
attacked
round
by
thing? What?
things.
Yeah.
I'm attacked.
Oh,
There, we're
I
out-
didn't
we're
even
on-
see it.
They won't, because you're in passive mode. They're not going to bother you.
Yeah, they're not gonna attack you, but I killed 2
So-
bees.
Follow me, Patmos, and
Yeah,
get
but I-
attacked by bees.
Yeah.
I
Thank you
just,
very much, Herod, for
just
trying to
took-
get me killed. You found
well, I
ore.
didn't know this thing was here.
Oh, not an iron mine, pure.
Didn't-
Oh, I'm being attacked again. Where is
Oh,
it? Where's the bugger? Get
I
away.
didn't know that thing was there.
It attacked me again.
Once you
Where are
guys are
you,
done with
Baramas?
that-
Because you were here too. Oh, there's 4 more.
Well, I saw what was coming, so I stepped away.
So I better put a thing in my hand so that I can. Ah, that doesn't sound right. I better get my
Get
zapper
lost. As soon as they
I really dislike these things. That's why I'm just
as
keeping
soon as
away
they
from them.
stab you, they start to go away or they disappear or something.
They die, yeah.
They're following you
Maybe
now.
I
Who's
can-
that?
Like a bee, they can only sting you once.
Alright, well they're all gone now. Thanks, Sheradef. So much fun going on adventure with you. So
out. I
where
didn't even know that was there.
where are we going to?
Okay, now I gotta get my bearings. You guys ran so far away.
So
Wait,
it
don't
wasn't
go near
after-
there.
I'm not getting close to that thing again. Alright, I'm at your till. What angry creature are you going to lead us next?
Wow. I told you to be ready for kittens.
Oh, right, okay. Did you find a cave?
Yes.
Must have been.
Oh, a summer sloop, maybe.
Okay.
Ooh,
you ready?
Those are big kittens. All right, people. In chat, what you're seeing now is the arachnophobia mode. So I'm a big arachnophobic, so my heart rate is already rushing just because I know these are critters that can attack you. But this game has, very nice, an arachnophobic mode, so you don't see the arachnids, which is great. I love that.
Well, they're
Oh,
big. Holy cow.
Yeah, there are. But they can still kill you, and since Sheradef is in passive mode, they won't hurt her, but they will hurt Baramas and
If I
me
fight them, they will.
if they come. No, they won't fight you back.
Well, yes, they will. I think they.
I've attacked
let's see.
numerous creatures in my game in passive mode, and they did not attack me at all. I could just kill them. See?
Did I get them? Sorry,
yes, so we can just send you in, because you're not going to get
Yeah,
them.
but that's not fair. That's you.
Do you
You
see
told
the
me to
thing
play
that I'm
not in
going
passive
for?
mode because that was the fun. All right. So did we already pick up the stuff from the spiders then? I guess.
Oh, I didn't pick up anything. Did you?
Wow, these are jumping spiders. Wow, there's so many. Oh no, these 2 are dead already. Okay, good. But
You want
yes,
to come and pick this up then?
I have a serious case of arachnophobia. That's why it's this. It's summer sloop. Can I pick that up?
So,
All right, let's
so
collect.
what is it though? Do you know?
Summer sloop.
So you both seeing kittens then, were you?
The summer sloop.
Oh, I'm not.
Dr. Marie Somerville,
I'm seeing spiders.
and head of its
Okay.
R&D department.
Oh,
I believe we can
I'm
pick
not-
up this
I'm used
plant
to
too.
big spiders. You guys, a big wolf spider committed suicide in my coffee this morning. Just fell from wherever, landed on my hand, and dove into my coffee and just sunk. Poor thing. I tried to save it, but it was too late.
Ew.
Did
Okay,
you chew on
something
it
has to
anyway?
die this episode, but not the kitten, says Roadhog. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Boy, I hate spiders. Okay.
Didn't come any farther into this cave though, so I don't know what else is here.
Well, I'm out here
all?
already. I'm out of the
Just
caves. It's a
Opens
very
out the
small
other
one.
side.
It's a lake here.
So what are we doing? What do we do
Oh,
with
there's
that summer sloop?
Nothing
we
yet.
just research it and that's it?
Research, probably.
Yeah. But it is usable later, very late game.
Okay.
Also, do we care about the power slugs right now? Because I've seen quite a few of those, I
If
think.
you've got one near, pick it up anyway. Because first of all, you can research them, which is one
Yeah.
thing, and they're always useful to have.
I'm picking up bacon agaric now. Don't know what it does, but...
Okay, I have researched that already in the MAM, but not sure what it's for. We eat it? I don't know.
All of the edibles, pale berry, the thingy nut, and bacon agaric can all be used to make medicine, so they're all useful.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, you know, this is a very interesting cave. See some birds flying and stuff. Wow.
Oh.
Hey, Gumbledrum. Good to see you. How are
This
you?
took a big jump.
Thank
Holy.
God I am not arachnophobic. I live in Australia. I'd be done. Yeah, probably.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Oh, man. Ugh. Man,
Well, I
can't
am,
even
so it
imagine.
is what it is. All right, I guess we have to... I don't... Where are you guys? You're leaving me alone here.
I don't know. I'm a little bit lost. I don't know where you guys went. I was looking for you.
I'm going for
What is-
Biramis because he's the guy that knows everything and he's strong, so I'm here. Hello.
I found
Keep
some
me
wood,
safe.
so I'm just
There's
picking
a-
up the wood. Picking up these
There's
logs
an
if you can.
interesting.
Okay.
There's a big animal here that probably will attack you guys, but it's pretty cool looking. It kind of looks like a. It looks like a cross between a rhino and a triceratops.
Okay,
To go
where's
down
here?
in the caves.
Oh, well, that'll be a spitter. So again, Patmos, don't go too near.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say it'll probably go after you guys.
That's a
It's
big
a
one as
cool
well.
looking animal. Yeah, it's back that way,
Yeah, I see it.
down around the corner.
A spitter, so it's just an oversized llama.
And it spits dangerous stuff at you.
Nice.
So
Well, I know why I play in passive mode in my own game, and I'm going to keep it that way.
well, when you see these things, it's usually a sign that there's something good nearby.
Okay, well, was it the summer sloop,
We are
or
here,
was
so...
that the spiders?
I think the spiders for that. This is probably like a slug or something, or it might be an orm. No.
Well, it looks like that the thing up here... This looks like some bone structures or something. I don't know.
Just have
Here,
a
I
little
can go
swim.
up here because he's not gonna bug me.
Yeah, you can look everywhere.
Some more mycelia here as well.
Interesting. But he walked away, so now he can get in here. Oh, there, he's coming back. He's coming back. Biramis, I think he's to your right.
Okay. I mean, we can all try 3 zapping at once. But someone might get hurt.
Yeah. That's
Go
Oh,
on,
he's
fine.
somebody.
running at you.
Yeah, I'm hiding.
He's after you.
Can you actually really hide and then be safe?
Oh.
Okay, he's
Hi,
gone.
buddy.
Hello. Alright, well, we killed something. Hope Rodog's happy now. I don't know what that this is, but it's something. Wow.
You get the samples from him at least.
Yeah, we can put that in the map. Let's go and have a look, see what was protecting up the slope.
Okay.
That's where I was looking. I didn't see anything yet.
Seems to be not too much here, but... Oh, plant. Nice.
I mean, it was roaming around, so it may not be immediately here. If you see the logs again, pick them up.
Just pick up everything.
No, don't know. Probably just this passageway.
There's another creature down there. Across the river.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of stuff out. We haven't even ventured far from our starting place anyway, so...
Otherwise, it might be a mesosphere on one of the rocks it was protecting.
We're now at least not close to our base anymore. Let's see. Hello, Patmos chat. Hope everyone's having a lovely day. I have. How are you, Gumblebrum? Nice to have you here again. Hope all is well. That you had a good day. Had some fun.
Okay, so
So you guys know the
my
way back,
hand is
right?
getting sore.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we can just follow the compass.
Your hand's getting sore, so it's probably a good moment to start slowly wrapping this up then.
Oh, that's no. You don't have to do that. I just need to give it a break for a minute.
Oh well,
So-
it's up to you. Well, I think I can go on for like another half an hour. Then it's time for me to shut up. So I make sure that wifey really can go to sleep. And
Okay. Well, do you want to sort of explore a little bit further?
yeah, that's fine. I think we've set up the whole iron system and the copper system now, so we can just go venture out. And then
See if we can find a paleberry for the doggo.
Yeah.
you two
That's
are
what I was
up
doing
here,
when
I
I-
guess.
You eating?
Yeah, I'm
Wait a
having a.
Did you get hurt?
I got damaged. Yeah, so.
Spiders
Recovery.
don't get
Oh,
stuck.
okay.
The other guys do. Radiated are bullocks if you have the suit and filter. Ah, okay. Oh, we still have to find some of the creatures, but don't know where you two are. Oh, there.
Well, seeing as he's mentioned it, the irradiated, whatever they're called, they're the ones that chase you. And in chasing you, you're dying from radiation poison as well. So they're not nice.
Oh boy.
Ah.
Just proximity for those are better.
Great.
There's some quartz down there if you want to grab that.
Yeah, well,
It's
you
also
lead the way.
whatever was.
I'll
Sure.
just try to keep track of chat. Yeah, we have a lot of creepy crawlies, but honestly, I'm more scared of like bears or mountain lions. Oh yeah, I guess you should be scared of bears and mountain lions as well, but we don't have any of that here in Holland anyway, so I'm just scared of spiders, and we don't even have the big spiders here, so. Have a good morning, just on my first coffee. Nice, nice.
There's a mesosphere up ahead.
What?
But it's a mesosphere. It's protected by bees. If you look on the rock outcrop in front, there's a thing on the end of it
Did
sticking
I
up
go
like
get
a
it?
diamond.
Oh, yeah.
No, the bees are there, so you're gonna have to fight them. So
Oh,
it's not
because
worth
she's
it
in
just yet.
passive
Did I-
mode, so she can just get it.
Oh,
Did I
well done then.
cheat?
That well,
Is this
yeah.
cheating? That
Yeah, it's cheating.
because I can do this stuff?
There's
Sorry,
sulfur
guys.
here. Let's mine some sulfur.
Oh yeah. That's good.
But nice to hear you have a good morning, Gummelram. That's great. How's Anubis doing, by the way? He came in chat, but I missed most of the message, I guess. Too busy playing. Sorry. Profile picture. Yeah, Rodok has an amazing profile picture. Kevin, too. Love
You
that
see the
one.
bees are up.
Ah, the bees are out and about, but
Yeah,
they're not
I'm
doing
picking it up.
anything.
They might come for us. That's the trouble. So we need to keep away.
Yeah, I'm not going to get close to that. Don't like the bees.
Actually, what we could do is just get a crash site for the end,
Oh, yeah, we can do that.
because there was one near where we first appeared.
Oh, yeah, you've seen that. Okay, good. I don't like bees. Maybe somebody like the Bee Gees, but I don't like bees.
Well, the BG.
Like bees when they're pollinating my garden.
Oh,
And-
yeah, in my garden I like them,
No.
but those aren't pokey.
Not hurting me. Those aren't pokey.
alien bees in this case.
We have, I don't know if you guys have them there, but we have wasps. And those guys are just mean.
We have them too, but they don't get mean until it's like this time of year and they've run out of their food. And now they want your
Yeah,
food.
they get aggressive. Yeah, like,
But that's usually a moment
oh,
to
there's
just
somebody
no
coming
longer-
after you. Look out! Oh,
What is it?
It's just a hog. They're okay.
it's just one of those.
Where is he?
He just attacked you from behind, the little jerk. Ow! Holy wow! That was quite the death. Did you see
Wow.
that? It's really dramatic.
Oh,
You know, like
sorry.
a really cheesy,
Late night
easy
food prep, but
movie
I'm listening.
actor.
That's okay, Anubis. That's okay, but I just didn't want you to feel like we were ignoring you or something. You came in, and then I said hi, and then I asked how you were, and then I kind of got caught up in the game, so. Good, you're still here. Hope you're
Limestone
enjoying
over here
this.
if we care.
Sorry?
Nothing, sorry. As there's limestone over here if we care.
Yeah, I think we have plenty. We
I
already
lost
have
you
2 for
guys.
now. That's. I don't think that's worth bringing in for all the goodies that we can bring in now.
Oh yeah.
Guess we're all running off into different directions here.
Well, I was heading
No,
back
I'm
towards the
looking
hole,
for
but there's a crash site here we can go for.
Okay.
But it's got 2, possibly 3 bee nest things on it.
Oh,
So we could employ our little
Oh.
thief to go in, like in The Hobbit.
well,
Little
she can
cheater
go in and kill the
thieves.
bees, and then we can all see it.
Well,
Oh,
you-
there's another bee thing here.
You have to destroy the source
Can I-
of the actual ball itself.
Well, she can do that. There's another one here, Dev. If you, I don't know, Budamus has passed it, but there's another bee thing here. Here, Dev.
I don't see it.
There's a doggo
No,
here.
right
it's
as well.
right
behind
here
you.
on
I
the other
don't see
side.
it.
It's on the other side of the river.
Well,
There's
head
that
to
big-
me.
Oh,
That big flower thing. I'm not going to open that.
I have to open it? What am I opening it for?
To get the
To
bees
get something
killed, so
out of
I
it?
can walk past it and they won't attack me.
Oh, I see. Okay, fine.
But if you destroy it, there's a pickup from it as well, which is worth having for the man.
See, now come the
Can I
bees out.
destroy it?
Unauthorized hostility towards the pioneer. Okay. So you destroyed it. What happens to... Oh, the bees come for me. Get rid. Go away.
Ah.
Go away. Go away. Good. There were only 3,
Where are
so I
you?
killed them.
I've lost you.
You know, I've run back and hitting them at the same time. Did you? Oh yeah, you destroyed it. Very good. Time to try and
Picked
get
up
close to
something from
Pyramids
it,
again.
too.
Oh, what did you pick up?
I don't know, whatever remnants from it. Maybe you have to research it.
Okay, let's just hope we don't run towards another one.
I think that's called a stinger.
Ah, okay.
Stinger, spitter, hog.
I hate it when I have to watch my back all the time for animals.
Watch, there's a
Yeah.
hog going for you now.
Oh,
Where? I don't see him.
Following you. He's behind you.
yeah, you can take it.
There's 2 of them now.
2 of them now.
I think-
Oh.
Where?
I think
Oh.
they'll back off. Oh no, he's coming for you. Okay. There you go.
I punched him.
Now I know how Donnie feels if he gets attacked by all those bullets all the time. They just come for him. Okay, wow.
Such dramatic deaths.
So where we are, you can see there's a crash site in front of us with the 2 stinger pods, we'll call them.
Yeah.
But if you look back
Yeah,
up
I'll go get him.
to the cliff behind, though, there's a crash site on the top of the cliff as well.
Oh, yeah.
No, there's another one we can bear in mind for later. So, do we all run in and blast the stinger pods, or do we just let Heridev go in like?
If
Our
she
feet.
blasts them, the bees will come to us and we can kill just the bees. There's just the 3 that come out.
Yeah, I'd rather not. I'd rather just go in and
So
blast.
for
the
those
hut.
that don't know about this game, there's crash sites all over the place that you can find, and there you can find some nice goodies, some nice plates and
Oh,
stuff
no,
laying
that's
around
good.
and stuff like that, which is cool. And you also have these big crates you can see already that we have to find a way to open up. So
for it.
that'll be interesting. Let's see, can you get vehicles? Makes exploration faster maybe. Yes, at some point we can get vehicles. We can get like rovers and stuff, trucks. We can also get trains. We can get flying drones at some point. But that's all not here yet, so we are not at that stage. We're actually very, very early game still. So as soon as we
Let
get up to
Patmos do
that,
this.
that should be fun. But right now we're not there. So now you can just look
Oh,
around
sorry.
and see if there's
I'll let you do
anything to be picked up. So this is debris you can't pick up at this moment. But there should be, or is everything already picked up?
I've got them all, I'm afraid. Do you want to open the pod yourself, Patmos, for the footage?
I don't know. Can
Yeah,
I open
let
it?
him
Press
do it.
E to open the drop pod. Pull the handle to open the door. Alright, let's pull the handle to open the door. Then we need a hard drive, or do I take that?
Yep, you take that.
Okay, oh, how do I take that out? Just double click it. Okay,
Nice.
nice.
And if you look behind you, there are all the goodies we picked up.
Successfully acquired. All pioneers
Ah, so these are
Oh.
goodies that they picked up here. So we got some reinforced plates. We have some copper sheets that we can't even make ourselves yet. We have some steel beams we can't make ourselves yet. A lot of screws. So there's a lot of nice goodies to be found at these places. So it is worth venturing out and getting all these things, because sometimes it's hard to create these. And if you have a little head start by already having some, you might just be able to build that type of factory equipment that you need to actually start producing them real fast. So that can be really nice. So I'll just pick this up and then...
And another tip there, do you notice when you drop stuff, it stacks up?
Yeah.
So if you somewhere you
Yeah.
want to get a bit higher, you could actually climb up your stuff, which is useful.
Oh, yeah,
Hey,
that's a good one.
idea.
Especially if you're attacked by a land creature that can't jump.
Okay, heading back to base now then.
So is this supposed to be one of the other pioneers? You know how it says that some of the pioneers don't make it?
Yes, they're all the ones that died.
Oh man.
Ah,
Holy cow. How come we're not finding bodies then?
so
Or
we're the
inside,
only
I
3
guess.
that made it. Wow, Buramis, you're so fast.
Wanna go
Where
for a
did you guys
swim?
go?
Well, there's a power slug in the middle. Let's go swim. I don't
Why
think we
is
can
every-
drown,
why-
Uh, can we?
Why is it
Yeah,
shaking?
probably.
Is it-
Well, if you
Is it
go
shaking for
underwater,
you
it doesn't
guys
do
too?
anything about... Oh, we can't go underwater, I'm on top. Alright, people, here we have a power slug. It says a blue power slug. And I can pick those up. And then we have to research them, I believe. And they do something special with the power. Ada will tell us that the semi-slug species seems to be persistent entirely through absorbing and storing energy from its surroundings, which of course would create an indefinite power source, so we'll probably have to do something with this, which could be very nice. And here we are, all three ready to go. Who's the first on the other side?
I didn't go. Sorry, I was
No,
looking
then
at
you're
the
not
stream to
winning,
see
so I won.
Well,
is
he
it
did that thing of saying we're in a race when he'd already started, and we're
Yeah,
like,
well,
oh, do we race?
I had
Right.
to make
right.
sure I won for the chat, so...
But
you
having that
guys?
water supply close to base is really good for later.
Yeah, that's really handy. Just need to know where the coal is now,
Are
and
you,
then...
guys,
Oops.
are you guys experiencing tremors? Like earthquakey kind of stuff?
Nope.
No.
Okay, there's something going on with my game then, because it keeps shaking around like
Maybe it's your
there's an
hand
earthquake.
getting all bad, so you need to break.
No, no,
You want to go for
really explain it.
a bean creature bounce for the puzzage?
Oh yeah, let me take a second to see this. Now we have been off a bit, and you can see we've already built a lot of screws here. Probably
Oh, I
even,
missed. Oh no, I didn't miss.
not so many rods, because we have only a little
Oh.
surplus of rods, and we have some plates now, so while you go off adventuring, your factory keeps running, and you get all these nice goodies already stocked up that we can now use for other stuff, so that's really nice. It even looks like the conveyor belt for the concrete has stopped, or is it still moving? No, it's still moving, but we do have 540 concrete now, which is a very good amount.
Do we have something's flashing red over here?
Something's flashing red. I'm at Pyramis now. Where are you?
There's a pickup
Oh,
down
it's
there as well
just
if you want to get that. Another
It's the
mineral.
hub.
The hub is
2
flash-
generators on the hub.
Yeah, they
Oh,
don't
yeah,
work. We don't use them.
They'll have run out.
Okay.
Bauxite. Let's get some bauxite. Probably use that at some point. Now, I guess these little places, Pyramis, are just what you find and that's it. There's no real layer underneath it.
Yeah, just a one-off.
And are there actually places where you can really mine this, or are these just rare resources that you rarely use, so you only need these little bits every time?
No bauxite is aluminium ore, and we will need aluminium much later in the game.
Okay, so we could just find it right now, but actually it looks like up there might be a shite.
I remember I was saying there was something up
Got
on
you!
the platform over there. Oh, something just happened.
You'll get your footage of this, Patmos.
Oh yeah, this is... Well, the fun thing is, can you read what the description says if you look at the animal and see what it is? Oh, it's now standing up because it's getting pissed at you. You can bounce off this creature, which is cool. How did you get so far to bounce on it?
I just jumped off the cliff.
I don't think I can jump that far.
Run and jump, and you might go a bit further.
Oh, here,
Well,
that
don't
was
run
in the
into
way.
me.
Ah.
Fuck, run over here. Dev was in the way. I was just standing there the whole time. I hadn't moved at all. You ran straight into me. I turned around and you were right
Well,
in my face.
I did not say whose fault it was. I just stated that you were in the way, which was accurate. No, can't jump on it. I need one
Well,
to
if
be
you-
close
if you
so we
got
can
enough-
read the message.
If you've got enough for a foundation, pour a foundation at the end of the cliff and then jump off that onto it.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Oh, look at what a bean is coming over here, walking into the factory. He's
What of them?
walking right through.
Oh,
Don't you
there's
get
one.
stuck.
There's one. Oh, cool. Now I can read the description, so that's nice.
Yeah,
They
but is he
do
gonna
that.
get stuck in there?
Yep.
All right, let's see. Because
Oh,
now we can
no.
read. We should probably be able to read the name, which is interesting. Oh, I probably have to stand on it.
He can still get out. There's no wires in the way.
No, he can't get out. I already punched him, but he won't get out. But it says this is a penguin tick chicken. I don't know. It's a very complex long name. They've just put in giraffe. They've put in a lot of animals, and that's this kind of animal. So very interesting.
Penguin tick chicken.
Yeah, that's the
As long as
official
he doesn't-
description.
As long as he doesn't shit on your foot,
How,
right?
how can I open the codex?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, but then equipment buildings, but I can't see the...
I don't know if creatures are in there.
No, they should be, because then we can read the full name.
Oh
But it
yeah,
has a very-
alien organ samples collected. No.
It has a very interesting name. But you can't read the name, I guess. Maybe if you kill it or something. It was fun though, but hey, that's it. Let's see, I think it's good that Patmos turned off the ads on livestream, so my fee will be 1,000 ad views worth. Let me know. Yeah. Well, I did turn off the ads completely for the live streams, and it's I think that's a good thing. No more interruptions and stuff, and those few cents I get I won't miss, so that's nice. And I'm glad it's showing, so please let me know if you do see ads. I'll be pissed at YouTube because I've turned them off. And of course, thank you all for being here. It's so much appreciated, and I really love to do it. And thank you for my 2 co-players to be here and spend all this time with me. It's so amazing. Thank you so much.
Do you want to
it's
put stuff
fun.
in the MAM yourself for the footage?
We can do that. What do you have that we can put in there?
Oh, you have
Got,
stuff?
got the summer sloop, haven't we?
Oh yeah, I have the summer sloop.
And the remains of the stinger. Oh, it's a hatcher, not a stinger. Hatcher remains, which I put on the ground.
Nice. I'll just show this to the people.
Bitter remains. There you go.
Okay. Here we have the MAM, which is basically the research unit that you have in the game, and this is also basically the tech tree. So if you go in here, we go to alien megafauna, and we've got, for instance, we've got 4 spitter parts. We can click it, we can do research on it, and then we learn something new about it. It takes 3 seconds, so that's very short. And now Ada will start to talk. Probably. Analysis of the splitter research completed. Please choose a new node. Oh, she's not gonna talk. Oh, there she is. The remains research belong to an organism that tends to nest near objects emitting specific types of resonance. So those bees will be along all those objects. Spitters are called as such due to their ability to create and spit plasma. Nice. So there's a lot of stuff that you can research, and that can lead to, for instance, bioorganic properties, and you can make something of a meal that you can probably feed a dog or something. But there's also nice extra options that you can get, like the rebar gun, and I believe one of the isn't the auto tuner or something which allows you to tune machines. Isn't that coming from the research tree?
I have no idea.
I don't know what you mean by tune
It's a
machine.
Baramus question.
Well, you have an option at some point that you can tune your machine, so you can tell it to
Oh, you
do
mean
a
like
specific
overclocking?
number. Yeah,
Yeah, that comes from the power slugs.
yeah. So if you can get very nice goodies by unlocking all of this. Of course, we have to do all of these before we can get to this one. But here we have alien technology, we have plant life that we can research, we have nutrients that we can research. Here's the power slugs. Oh, we got one actually, so we can unlock a power shard. Let's see what that is. Let's unlock it. So this is real nice. I'll take a look at chat soon, by the way, but we're now busy with it. So getting out there, venturing, finding new stuff can be very useful. There we go.
I can do the sphere that I picked up.
Yeah, that's good.
See what that opens up.
And there's the spider remains behind you as well to go in.
This is the overclocking one. So this has a certain cost, and if we put that in, we can get the overclocking one, which is nice. Then we can make machines work harder. So there is something of a tech tree in here, and that's what you use this building for. Do you have anything else that we can put in?
Else?
Oh, the hard drive.
Yeah, I probably can put in the stingers.
Yep.
No, I don't have the stingers.
They'll be in front of you now.
Hatcher remain. You guys already did the hatcher, right?
Oh, there's a
Yeah.
stinger. Alright, we can do the stinger as well. Oh, and we should also have Hogwarts stuff, but I don't have that, so somebody else can put that on the machine. That's fine. We don't have to do it everything. If you're gonna multi, I will continue my solo. Who's gonna multi? Trouble! Good to see you. What's a death count? I don't think anybody died yet. What's the price? You need compensation. No, Rodog, I don't need compensation. I just need you here in chat to have fun with us, that's all. And you're always here, so that's amazing. So thank you very much. Alright, let's do the summer sloop research. Let's see what that leads to. Oh, that's still locked.
Put the quartz in the. in the chest.
Oh, you can do that as well then. And the sulfur.
Oh, you can also research all
Sulfur.
of that, of course.
And the bauxite.
There's
You can-
different quartzes and
Possible.
stuff you can put in. All right, nice. Well, you guys can use the MAM for a while. That's fine.
Didn't know you could research the quartz. I just put it in the chest.
Yeah, it's part of the tech tree.
Stuck.
Right.
Well, under what? Oh, quartz. Look at that. Gooey.
I'm stuck.
Similarities to the hypothetical
All right, let
force
me
of
get
dark
some stuff
energy
so we can
potentially being
finish
one
this
and
all
the
off.
same. It can now be tracked by the object scanner.
Took all the quartz I had.
Oh, that's fine.
You can put the sulfur in as well, Patmos.
I don't have the sulfur, I think.
You did? You've got it. And the
Bauxite,
bauxite.
I believe. All right, I'll check. I'll come. What's on the
Well, I
hard
remember you
drive? Well, that's the thing that I'm going to put in next, but I was going to leave it because I believe a hard drive takes a while for them to research.
Yeah, it takes 10 minutes, so do that one last.
And these are all very short, like the things that we have right now. So I was like saving the hap for the others first. Let's see, sulfur. Yeah, here we have sulfur. Let's put it in. There we go. That leads to...
It's hurting me.
We can get black powder. We can get to the Nobelisk detonator. So probably blow up some stuff. We can get some extra hand equipment. So there's a lot of nice goodies we can get in. Did we put most of the stuff in that we actually have? Somebody still has hog remains, I believe. Those can be put in.
We've not done those yet. Oh yeah, okay. There's some in the MAM. I'll get them.
Yeah, you can
Not the
put it in.
MAM, the hub.
I don't have them on me, but you can put them in. That's fine. Nutrients. Nope. Power slugs we did. Quartz. I think we did all the quartz that we had. So, yeah, that's it. And after that, I'll put in the hard drive. And then we can get that. Okay, you take the risk. Oh boy.
One
I
of
don't know
you
what
guys
risk I
just run
took.
by
But
and zap me.
Oh.
Because something was zapping me and I lost health. And I don't know what it was.
I don't know.
If it was one of you, that's fine.
Are you both done with the MAM?
It was me. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, hard drive's going in now.
Okay.
Takes 10 minutes. We'll probably see that later.
It's just that you just stood there staring into space. I thought I'd wake you up.
I was looking at my inventory.
Okay, sorry.
Making sure I didn't have anything else to put in there.
All
Which I
right.
don't, but I do have wood, so where was that? Oh,
I did the
here.
next step now, so we've got another unlock. So this place can get 120 iron ore out of it straight. Can only transport 60 over the belt, but it should be having so much more out so that we can feed all of this. See, these are not working very efficiently because they're not getting the ores that they need. So what we have to do is get some reinforced plates. Luckily, I should have a few.
There's some in the hub.
Yes.
We've got 18.
And now we can build the conveyor belt Mark II, which can carry up to 120 resources. So to make our whole iron here more optimal, we're going to switch out those. We don't have to switch them all out. The ones that go into a machine can still be the ones that only carry 60, because that's what it needs. But we have to do the ones that transport it all between these stations. And put those into, I'll make this number 6 so I can quickly access it. And then this will all transport the great numbers to all the other machines. This one can also be 60. Should be fine. Because this is only 30. So now they should all have as much iron ore as they need, because this one is now faster. And now all these machines should start to work optimally, which is great. Of course, that's exactly what we want. Trouble, how's work? Nice to have you here, but guess work's not so fast. Still wondering what risk I took, Roadhog. I don't know. Alright, have to,
Spiders.
sorry?
Spiders, maybe. That was a risk for you.
Okay, so that's all done. See, now we get sufficient amounts of iron ore coming into these two smelters. So now things will run even better. I believe every time a machine starts to go yellow, it's not working optimal. See, this one is idle because it just can't get rid of all the stuff that it produces. So we have to take a look at it. Oh, this one doesn't have a conveyor belt yet. What? What's going wrong here?
I mentioned that one to you ages ago, and you said that you haven't done it yet.
set this one up for the rods. Oh boy, oh, there's a little boo-boo here. That's not supposed to happen. I don't think we need excess iron ingots.
Okay, poo poo.
Sorry?
Yogi Bear. Okay, boo boo.
Ah, I didn't grow up with that. Okay, well, I guess that's something for next time then. Figure out how to fix this. We can just produce extra iron stuff if we need to. It's just a bit cramped in here, so I don't know where to put it then, but we'll fix that later.
Can you just have it doing ingots and then feed it into a merger? Oh, you got no room.
Well, what are we going to do with it then? Because
The
everything is
merger here's got
optimized.
an extra slot, so it can come out of that into this.
Yeah, but it's already optimized, so these can't produce anything more even if we put in more ingots.
That's fine. Put a storage in the middle then for ingots.
Well, I was thinking we need to get to the reinforced plates soon.
So if you look at these, they're only doing 1 out of 1 each time, so they've got lots of room to do more.
Yeah, but that's ore, so I've completely
Okay.
filled them right now.
I'll leave that to you. You've done the maths.
I did. These are now all running optimal. I just changed the belts, that's why it's working properly now. Really? So these should all now stay at 100 all the time. Yes, they are. Alright, so that's good. Now I have to fix this next time, because we can just do a whole row of extra structures, but then I have to move part of the factory a bit so that we can create extra space for that. Ooh, an early finish trouble. That sounds good. We can make that. Alright, I think, or my proposal would be that we slowly put this to an end. It's 11 PM here. I have to get little one to school tomorrow and do some other stuff and get my flu shot and stuff. So I would probably be going to bed anytime soon.
There you go. There he goes.
We've set up iron, we have set up copper, and a good power grid. So probably next time could be some concrete optimization and fixing the little boo-boo I made here with the factory and produce some extra iron goods.
Alright.
We need a lot more rods. That's what I've missed out. So I'll just start making extra rods soon. Oh, I know how to fix that easily. Okay,
Watch out
good.
for those things up there headed of the... Oh no, you're alright. But they're poisonous.
Just. Okay, so I've found some stuff up here, but I'm not gonna do anything with it because. Oh, look at that. Oh. Maybe it was a paleberry, but
Well, go on then, grab that.
oh, they're very pretty. No, I said I thought it was a oh, I'm getting damaged. Uh-oh.
Oh, so there
They
you
do
go.
damage
They
me.
do get you, right.
I don't want to say you're doing it wrong. Oh, you can say if I'm doing it wrong. That's fine. Yep, you're armed with RNA. No. Just a regular flu shot. Although RNA is fine too, but it's just a regular flu shot because I'm a high-risk patient. So all the elderlies out here get a flu shot, and me.
There's also another Mercer sphere up here, so
Grab that then
Did
when
I
you
get
can,
that?
if you can survive.
yeah, I'm getting killed, so I better hurry up.
Oh, did you put it on?
No,
Oh,
but
no.
it's plants that produce noxious gas, but it appears that passive mode doesn't help you with those.
No, it doesn't. Full damage and all those things still work. Also, when you get into the toxic areas, just the wildlife won't
Yeah,
attack you.
I took a lot of damage there, but I got it.
Okay, very good. Well, I say let's all come to the hub.
Okay.
We all sit in our nice cafeteria here.
Gotta
We can have a
find way
game of
down
tick
without
as well. You
killing
can run up to
myself.
someone and go, "Tick, you're it," and then run away.
Nice. But, I don't run since I was 16, so I'm not going to run after you.
Oh, okay. And it's a big map to run around.
Yeah. Maybe we can do it when we get cars. Alright, well, if you will join me soon in the hub, I'm going to say thank you very much, Herodef and Buramis, for joining me in this game.
Thank you. Always
Also a lot
fun.
of fun. We are going to continue this next week, if I believe. At least the plan is to do this every Sunday. And for now, I'm going to say thank you very, 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 very much, everybody in chat and everybody that has been watching and lurking. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. If you want to share more things about gaming and be be part of a nice community, come join us in the Discord. Links in the description. You're always welcome there. And I will be back streaming on Wednesday. And I have, of course, put up a few videos for this week. The first one coming out tomorrow with some more Norland. 2 more episodes to come this week. Some more Ostriv in Dutch. And Builders of Greece, an episode.
There you go.
That's what you can expect for this week. And I'm just saying thank you all for being such amazing people. So friendly, so nice to each other, so welcoming, so open, and also so funny. So thank you so much. And we will see you all next time.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Nice
Cheers
to
all.
see you all.
Bye-bye.